Good morning. There we go. Good morning, guys. Hey yo. Happy Monday. Good to see you all again. Shafman, good morning. Ryan, good morning. Jay, good morning. GT, good morning. Dr. Paula, good morning. DJ, good morning. Professor, good morning. MSense, good morning. Ishi, good morning. Doug, of course, good morning. Just chilling. Good morning. Crystal, good morning. Good morning, guys. Hi. Azul, good morning. Johnny, good morning. William, let's go. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Nasreen, good morning. Beard, let's go. Emmer, Sadia, you did? Sorry for your loss, Emmer. Sorry for your loss. Um, welcome back, though. Welcome back. Hmm. Walker says, no sound. Yes, there is. There's a little glitch there somewhere. A little glitch. Yeah, we missed you too, Emmer. Jay, good morning. Diamond, come on, Diamond. Good morning, Comptons. Good morning. Who's up buying DD at the open or soon after? Yeah, that thing needs to sell off initially, right? DD, really good news for those guys this morning. DD's up what? 60, 64%, 65%. Yeah, it needs to sell off first though. Tonight, no clue why. Wow, William. Hi, Dan. John, let's go, John. La la. The vibes in this place when pre-market is all green. Come on, John, let's go. Dan, good morning. Good morning, good people. Good morning, Dan. Good to see you as well. Yeah, so the S&P is opening up green today, which is good. A little bit of YouTube rubbish, glitchy glitch. Anyways, yeah, again, the S&P is opening up where we almost wanted to, right? So we talked about this quite a bit last night in Discord about the levels we're paying attention to, right? You notice here that the last few days now, the S&P struggled with that 416 level, right? So we've struggle bus at 416. So eventually we're going to need to break above that level if we want to push for 420, right? So if we fail to hold 407, like if we sell it below 407, then yeah, okay, cool. The abyss is coming, right? So we're about to sell up to 405 or maybe even 400s, right? So again, we need to clear that 416 level if we're going to start pumping. 416 on the daily, right? So back to a smaller time frame here. Make sure get rid of that. Get rid of that. Looks good at the open. Red box does. Is red box actually green this morning, Marshall? Or what do you mean? Like it looks good? It did. No way, Dan. It did. 292. Oi, I hope Peter was paying attention, Dan. Because if he's sleeping, unbelievable. 292 in pre-market. Wow, good. Tony, good morning. Comptons and thrust to the left, to the right. Come on, Trevor. Good morning. So market movers this morning, we have DD on there. So the reason DD is pumping is because they're getting rid of the. I'm just gonna go through the CNBC article because I think it's somewhere on here as well, right? So 5 things to know before the market opens today. So DD is part of the list. So I'm just gonna leave it on here. Also, Amazon split, right? Happened already. 122. Yeah, happening. Well, on the third, but then it's completed on the first. You get the price change in the first, Dr. Paulus. On not on the first, on the sixth, right? So today. But again, everything was last Friday. Can't wait to see calls. What they look like. Yeah, you took them on Friday, John. Nice, congrats. Yeah, MULN is off 15%. Yeah, it's because MULN is getting added to the roster 2,000 and 3,000, right? So MULN looks good this morning. These guys they call it reconstituting, right? So they're adding some names on the list, taking some names off. So MULN is part of the name, one of the names they're adding on the PC. Yo, let's go. There you go. So again, 5 things to know before the market opens. Mean the share float will be higher. Yes. Yes. There you go. Workout. Yes. Yeah. Am I getting that the other way around? smaller. No, yes, you're right. There you go. The five things to know before the market opens today. Obviously, the market is green, so I'm going to skip number one there. Number two here, they're saying stuff about gas prices in the US creep towards $5 per gallon, blah, 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 right? So, number three here, just like looking at the headlines, honestly, Chinese right giant DIDI surges after report about ending probe, right? So, they can start to add to the clients list as my 1 second, right? So, the probe is over. Well, according to this headline, right? That's why the thing is pumping this morning. Number five, Elon Musk, blah 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 blah, staffing. Okay, cool. And number four, number five, Save Spirit Airlines. So again, JetBlue is increasing their bid for Spirit Airlines. So yeah, they're moving up this morning. So a few things to look at there. Market movers here though. Quick refresh. Quick refresh. So of course DD is on the list. Oh wait, what did I just do? Something I wasn't not sure what I did there, but oh well. Oh well. Anyway, so yeah, DD is on the list for those reasons. MULN is again same reason, right? So some MULN added to the Russell 2000 and 3000 indexes there, so that's cool. You have another name here called YMTX. YMTX here, stock merger. Okay, cool. J&J, Johnson Johnson for 26 million. Okay, we can take a look at that as well then once the market opens here. Other than that, there's not a whole lot else on the list here that I want to take a look at. We're gonna look at some of these like solar names as well, some stuff like Run, Sunrun, and blah blah blah. Right, we can take a look at a few of those names as well because there's news for that entire sector, so we can take a look at some of them. We looked at a whole bunch of names in Discord as well last night to look. They're all posted in the Trades Ideas channel as well. Let's go, Peter. Come on. Gap ups are for selling, please and thank you. Please and thank you, guys. Gap ups are for selling, so try not to rush into the market as the market opens. I think Redbox was also added to the list here. 1 second here. I think Redbox is also added onto the list of. I would need to go verify. 1 second. Something. Peter, oh, did you see a dad mentioned in the chat that SVRE was at 292 or something? 292. 292. So you better not miss it. Otherwise, Robert, good morning, Robert. Hey, yo. How are you, Robert? How are you? Let's see here. What are we missing? Missing something. Something else I wanted to look at before the market opened. Something else. Can't remember now. Anyway, so yeah, DD is gapping up this morning, 66%. Let me take a look at that daily and see what it looks like here. Again, gap ups off of what? Selling. So I would try not to rush into these stocks right at the open, guys. I try not to rush into these stocks at the open here. Not really a level that that's obvious in terms of like, yeah, I would just let it settle, right? T Money, good morning. Let me take a look at a few of these Discord names from last night. So we looked at CYN. We talked about how CYN, right? We talked about this in last night in Discord there. This is a name that we had a lot of fun with. Doug had a lot of made some monies on this as well. Right, we talked about how it's nice run up. It sold off nicely here, right? For some reason, it seems like it's trying to turn around here. So I wouldn't mind taking a position here with the stop loss at the bottom of this previous candle. So again, it's let's say I'm buying at $1.50, right, or close to that. My stop loss is somewhere around like $1.44, $1.45, $1.39. So you're not risking a whole lot for potential stop, for a potential runner, right? So that's what I would be doing in this case here, because again, so if I really zoom in here, you can see that, right? Again, so take a symbol CYN. You can see here that the last like 4 days or so, right, low, high, low, higher, low, higher, low. So that's a good thing. So if we're gonna break below this level here at $1.45 ish, that means we're breaking 4 days of low. You're already back in. You're already back in. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. So if we're selling off and breaking below this 145 level, you're breaking below 4 days of support, right? So which should be a pretty telling sign that yeah, maybe not, maybe not, right? So market's open here. So we're gonna move on and then come back to these names, right? So we also looked at some of these names like let me see what this looks like here. We looked at this one here for potential put position shorting, right? So ding ding ding. Yeah, market's open now. So 1 second. Let's see. Look at for a second, William. Market's open here. So again, the S&P is pushing up, right? 415. Come on, give us 416 is what we need here. SPY, we need 416, right? So really get a breakout level going. Pablo, good morning. Good morning, Pablo. How are you? How are you? How are you? So let's see here again. So the S&P needs that 416 level as we've looked at on the daily time frame there. So this is perfect. We're slowly creeping towards that level. That level. Good luck, all. Make some money today, please and thank you. Be safe. Please try not to rush into the open, please and thank you. Be safe. Have stop losses. All that fun stuff. Right, so SPY looks good there. So most of these stocks we're looking at should look better as well. Top of the morning to you as well, Robert. So yeah. Anyways, so I just wanted to quickly look at some of those stonks. Let me see if I can pull up this code on my phone here and look. La. Just so I'm ready. Trades. Okay, perfect. Good morning, McPeak. So we looked at this here for potential put position, right? So for example, you notice how like this thing's been pumping. So I'm gonna put a line across here at like 132 something, right? So it's had a really nice run up from 120, from $95 all the way to where it is now. So a little bit of resistance at this level, right? So a little bit of resistance at this level. SPY just gave us a nice fat dip. So again, do not rush in at the open. Like try not to rush in at the open, please and thank you, right? So SPY just gave us a nice red candle. Nice red candle. DD's dropping fast. Yeah, I mean like gap ups again, all for selling, right? Gap ups for selling. Sun W moving with solo stocks. Yes, let's go, Pablo. Take a look at those some of those solo stocks as well, right? Looking at that for potential put position, we've looked at CYN already, right? For potential gamble, again, I don't mind gambling CYN here with a stop loss, right? So in the 140 at the 140 level. So a few cents in terms of stop loss, just in case we can find a way to again sell off and then turn around right here, right? You can see that it's trying to find a bottom. So CYN not exactly not too bad, right? So if we can find a way to turn around here, would be nice. Anyways, and then we looked at let me take a look at Amazon. And so Amazon's done the split, right? But what Amazon needs here though is that 126 level. 126 is what Amazon needs. Not sure why like the price is still being reflected on the site as in the thousands, because it's not, right? So it's not. So yeah, Amazon needs to get back above that level at 120. Oh, maybe that's why. I think it's because I'm on the daily time frame. I think that's why. Yeah. Anyways, Amazon needs like $126 to really break out above here. So I'd be looking for some calls to Amazon if Amazon can give us a breakout, right? So anything else that I want to look at? I'm not gonna look at all of these things. Just wanted to look at a few. Let me take a look at INDO and see what that looks like. INDO, is that thing selling off? No. All right, so INDO has a little bit of support. Hey Joe, at $13.50 there. So see if we can see above that level, right? 13.50. Watching that closely there. SPY pushing again. Let me take a look at Sun W. Sun works. 15% there, Pablo. 15%. Little bit of resistance here, just above $2. What's the float on one of these here? 32 million. Okay, not the worst, not bad at all, right? So I want to see what happens here, Pablo, just above this 210 level, because I know we've struggled quite a bit in the last 2 weeks or so at this level. So I'm just gonna watch this level at just around 210 here and see what happens. See if we can hold it. Yeah, see if we can hold above that level there. I know run. Yeah, let me see here. What does that look like? Yeah, this one might be too. This one might be too. This one's doing really nicely too. I mean, they're averaging 15%. So, but this one's done really well. Biden's. Yeah, there you go. On solar panels. Yeah, there you go. So that's why. If you're wondering why some of these solar stocks are pumping, that's why, right? So, Biden's wave tariffs on 24 months on solar panels hit by probe. Okay, there you go. Uh, when you're Monday scandals. Oh, you're at the casino, Joe. Unbelievable. You wanted to make some monies. Um, Back to DV and some of these gappers here. There you go. Anyways, gap ups are for what? For selling. After report Biden administration will suspend tariffs. There you go. Again, gap ups are selling, so DD sold off a little bit, right? So I'd like to see this thing consolidate at a level or give us a double bottom before I make a decision here for DD. Right, some really good news for these guys, but it's up 60% already. So I'd like to see dip, well, which it has, but give us something, a double bottom or something. Um, Good morning, Cortez. Good morning, MSense. Where's the nearest bridge? Forgot you got stopped out for MULN at 120, 123. At MULN, oi, that's annoying. Honestly, MSense. That's annoying. I would be MULN is on the list of stocks we're watching this morning as well. So MULN is what, 142. Yeah, MULN still needs to get above like 150. Honestly, Spice is giving us a nice little dip there. MULN still needs to get above 150 there. If not, it's still the same. It's still the same rubbish with less than 100 mil float. Okay, SPI. Okay. Let's see here. SPI. Where do you have support for the S&P here? 412. I think honestly, again, we still need to get back above 416. We got very close. 415.30, 415.29. So we're getting close, right? Just not doing it yet. Can't seem to do it yet for SPY. Almost like we should be getting puts every time we approach 416. Carla, good morning. Good morning. What are those Juneteenth plays doing this morning, Pablo? And say, let me take a quick look here. No. Not a whole lot yet. Let's see. Edit. I will mention no way, Pablo. $13. Oy. I knew it, Pablo. I knew it. IMTE hit $13. Let me take a look anyways. IMTE. At 1270 now? Wow. Broke above the 1309. I don't even know what to say. Like, honestly, that stock is so annoying. I don't know what to say. Wow. All the monies, Pablo. Like, all the monies that would have been made there. Oi. I want it for long term. Like, the company I've been researching, I think it's going to be pretty good. I like the CEO as well. MULN just wanted but already 150. Yeah. You're ready to. Oh wow, IMT just went from green to red. I mean, like, IMT just gave us a nice fat red candle there. Should I be celebrating, Pablo? Or I don't know what to do. It's just sold off. Like, I mean, like, dips. Look at that. It just fell off a cliff. I don't know what happened, but yeah. Oh, it's dipping. It's dipping hard, which is okay. You know, I'm just kidding. Anyways, yeah, it's down 80 cents here out of nowhere. Wow. I won't pretend like Is it halted? Yeah, it's halted now. It's halt. It's halted. Um. Oh well. Make sure you have a stop loss, please, and thank you. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, gap also for selling. Gap ups for selling, or at least having a stop loss. So what I like to do with like stocks like this is, let's say I'm like, let's say like, what I like to do is I will every time, let's say I buy a stock at $10, and then so let's say I buy a stock at $10, right? And it get and it pushes to like 10.50, and then it closes at 10.50, and the next morning we're opening up around $11. I will set my stop loss just 1 cent below the closing price of the last close. I would do that continuously over time, as long as it keeps going, right? Because on any single day, if we go from like green to red after a multi-day run, you want to be very careful. Shows that there's always a second chance. Devin, this was my second chance. My accounts open up huge now. Yeah, John. Oi. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, Spy is not really helping them. So I haven't looked at that one yet, Joe. Even though I wanted to. YMM. Yeah, haven't looked at that one yet. That thing just sold off. Selling off. La, 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 la. Cool, cool, cool. Session code. Yeah, this is it's been selling off, Joe. Not really bottoming out yet. So I would be a little bit patient on that one. There's Spy. Spy said, "Are you guys talking about me?" Okay, cool. That's nice. That's nice. Spy is back above here. Well, above, trying to reclaim that 415 level there. So that should be good for Tesla as well, there, John. S- is getting really, no way. AMC is, no way. AMC is getting yeah. Back to $12 here. You might be able to see AMT turn around here from $12 though. You should be able to see AMT turn around here now, right? So, but wow. Amazon calls, Robert. You got some Amazon calls. Is anyone, question for you guys? Biden also pumping fuel cell technology. That's really cool, because like fuel cell also reports earnings on Thursday, Pablo. So that's really good. Spy just hit a new high here, which is perfect. We still need 416 though. 416 is the level we're going for here today. Yes or no in the chat? Are you guys buying Amazon now after the split options, or anybody buying Amazon in the chat? Let me know. Yes or no? Yes or no? Oh yeah, we're going. We're going. You got 130 calls for Friday on Amazon? Oh, okay, Scooter. You're buying some short dated calls? Okay. Peter, yeah? Wow. 416 calls? Nice. Very nice. No, no, no. Amazon, you want to dip buy? Okay, nice. Let's not start this already naked, please. Oh yeah, you completely slacked on fixing that stuff. Looking to sell at some point. Hugh, okay, sounds good. AMC, AMC of course is bouncing as the S&P is bouncing as well, right up $12. AMC's found over the last few days now. AMC's found a nice little base around that level, right? Around that $12 level there, which is nice, which is very very nice. Anyways, what else are we looking at here? DIDI doing anything yet? No, not yet, right? So we talked about how we're hoping for a double bottom or something, and the somewhat of a double bottom on DD here for potential play. It's not quite doing that yet, so no signs of confidence there yet. Nothing over here either. Nothing. FTCI up 31%, 30%. Oh yeah, more solar plays, right? Solar. Interesting. Might like this one a little bit more, Pablo. Also pumping from Biden. Yeah, might like this one a little bit more here. I want to see if it continues with that little, how it's again pump into the open here and then sell off, hold the 9, pump again, see if we can hold the 9 again and send it from there. For FTCI here. I'm not sure what the daily looks like. So I'm going to take a look quickly here. That's a nice fat green candle. Seems like we've looked at this thing in the past, and we could easily run all the way to 550 and then 650 here. From that, our previous top there, right? So again, right there. I know there's a level here around this 550 level. Is that 550? Yeah. 550 to 530 to 550 here, and then all the way to the top that 560ish 550, not 550, 660, 650s. So hey yo, I see the spam bots are here bright and early. Yeah, they are, honestly, which is annoying because I forgot to get that fixed, but whatever. Anyways, I'll leave this off for a second here, Pablo, because I want to maybe watch this, see how that performs. Empress, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Um, CYN is not doing too bad here, right? So not doing too bad at all. Again, as long as this thing continues to sit above that level at $1.50 there, I don't mind it at all, honestly, right? So if it can stay above $1.50, I don't mind that. Yeah, there you go. And then stop loss in, right? Stop loss in, please and thank you. Make sure you have your stop losses in there, just in case it decides to break below that 150 level. It's not a huge deal, right? So yeah, that's the other one I wanted to look at there. Also, building no, few cell, another not related. Okay, cool. Let me take a look at FCell, and I'll come back to FCell. Up 2 cents. Okay, cool. Not really doing a whole lot yet. They do have earnings on Thursday too, so the CCAD news are just good levels, just levels. Honestly, just levels, Hugh, just levels, just levels. Just a little gamble with. Let me. I'll go back to see what in here and take a look. That could help float PPSI. PPSI, sure. Let me take a look. PPSI. 10 cents. Okay. PPSI and then polar. None of them you really getting traction yet. So between like few sub PPSI and then polar, none of them really getting traction yet. But watch closely. At least they're all green for now, Pablo. Power grid just go solo and win. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. For CYN here. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. There you go, right? So like it's just again like we played with this thing in the past, right? Nice run up and sell off. It does seem to be consolidating here a little bit, right? So for the last few days now, right, it's consolidating around that level there, so we can stay there and push up a little bit, not too bad, right? So with the tight stop loss, with the super tight stop loss, because if that thing breaks below like 150, right, or like 145 there, I don't like it, right? So because then we're looking for new lows. Red box, no way. Red box is above 650. I think it's such a tease. Like it's such a tease of a stock. I'll take a look at GOVX as well in a second here. But red box is interesting. Is running, yeah. It's up 11 cents here, 2%. I want this thing to break above, Professor. What I'm looking for here is that $7 level for red box. If red box can find a way to get above $7, I think we might be in for a nice bumper. Let's go. All right, so $7 is what I'm looking for. Joe says Redbox can suck it. uh, it's funny how like people have different experiences with the stocks. Anyways, it looks okay there, right? So yeah, I'll leave that up for a second as well. But GOVX, that's another one that I'm looking at. Dude, wow. Okay, nice. Empress, very nice. Right, so we wanted this one to stay above $2. That's the level we're looking at there. 20% for GOVX. Wow. Actually, interesting. Where did we? Oh, we opened up of $2. Okay, cool. It's not like we completely. It's not like this thing just ran out of nowhere. It actually opened and pushed all the way to 192. So okay, good. Not just a random gap up and then sell off, right? Yeah. Anyway, see if we can clear 140 here now. Hmm, interesting. Oh yeah, that thing just opened below and then broke above that resistance at $2 and just sent it. It's been sending it since. Um, you might need to like go to like members only mode like right away because that's pretty annoying. Pretty annoying already. Don't know why that stuff is allowed to happen, but oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna put up GOVX on the right hand side there, and then in the middle I'm gonna put up red box. Red box, red box. It's amazing how like we that's not what I wanted. In the middle here, please, thank you. Red box. La, la, la. 670 for red box here. Wow, red box is absolutely sending it here. Sorry, sorry, Joe. Sorry, sorry. Red box says sorry. It's just going. Um, Oi, wow, wow, wow. No, no, no. La, la, la. I need to get rid of something here. La, 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 la. La, la. One second, guys. Then there's something else I'm missing here. Something else I'm missing. And if there you go. Hey yo, Roger. You're just looking for traps, aren't you? You're looking for traps. No, we're double bottoming here on Spy. We're double bottoming, Roger. We're trying to. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's go. Dan says, let's go, Redbox. The moose is loose. Oh, it's about to get loose. I think if we can clear that $7 level, 720. Hey, yo, Roger. Right, 720 there, which is what we filled at on one of those daily candles there. We might be in for some boom boom. So I'm ready. Possibly a lot of holders about seventh losing faith with the rejections, Joe. Yeah, right. So that thing needs to break above $7 as soon as possible. Otherwise, yeah, we could get one of those sell-offs again, right? So one of those sell-offs. Anyway, so yeah, Spy's double bottoming here at 14.14, whatever level this is, 13.80. For 1390, right? So whatever level that is, but ultimately again we talked about this quite a bit, right? So needs to clear 416. If not, these are just the same daily kind of fails that we've been failing for the last 4 days now, right? 416, 416, 416. Can't seem to get above that level, so a little bit of that's concerning. If we sell off now, that would be really annoying. Anyways, let's go, Dan. Thank you for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Let's go. What are we getting here for DD? Anything? It's breaking above the 20, but we need to come back and test that level for confidence. Red box, not above 7 yet. GOVX giving us a little bit of some T-Rex here, so we'll see if that thing sells off, right? So, not rushing into anything today. No, absolutely not. It's Monday, right, Roger? Try not to rush into anything, guys. Opportunities will present themselves. Just don't rush in. Sloth Investor says, "Yo, what's up? I've been gone for over a year. Had to come to see what you've been up to. Let's go, Sloth. I remember your name because your name is quite calm. It stands out. So yeah, good to see you. Anyways, yeah. So Spy's bouncing there. See if we can get back about 415. Right, GOVX, GOVX, Empress. Just be a little bit careful. They were flagging, sure, but that could also bring a sell-off, right? When we start going sideways, they be careful. MULN's getting some nice candles. Yeah, MULN needs to just break above the 150 level. I feel like as time goes on, honestly, Dan, people are starting to like MULN as I don't know. Let me know if you don't feel the same. But I feel like the sentiment is changing in the sense that like MULN is, like people are looking to buy MULN now for longer term holds, which is interesting, right? So, yeah, which is cool, right? People feel a little bit more confident in MULN than BBIG. So interesting. Inverse of Friday's session, yeah. Elon wants to withdraw from Twitter, Musty. Well, that's good though. And there it is, selling off the Empress GOVX there, just because again, like when you pump up like that and you start giving us some sideways action, we call it the T-Rex, giving us a little bit of some warning signs, right? So we're getting a little red candle there now. Maybe this is Empress. Is this you selling? It's you selling, isn't it? A red candle there, that's you, isn't it? Anyways, so see that thing can sell up to the 20 there, Empress. Hold 220, right? See if we can find a nice little base at 220 and then send it back higher. That was you? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyways, yeah, see if we can find support above 220 here and just consolidate. Right, so there you go. Yeah, Roger says I pick MULN over BBIG, right? So MULN getting a push. Okay, let me take a look at MULN here. Let me take a look at MULN. What do I get rid of here for now? Let me take a look at MULN. MULN 150. Yeah, it's getting a nice little push here. Like MULN is trotting itself, Diamond. Yeah, it's gonna be a battery technology company. Cars, nice, but they're too far behind the curve. Yeah, I think there might be a potential acquisition target there too, Doug. So we'll see what happens. Right, this 150 level though needs to crack that. Erin, good morning. How are you? It needs to hold 150 honestly, right? I mean, look at this. Even now too, like we broke above 150 there in that candle, and then right away we're right back below, right? So it needs to clear 150, MULN, right? So hopefully just a matter of time before that thing cracks that level and holds above, just because of the amount of times it's breaking above that. Let's go, Kelly. It's good to see you, Kelly. How are you? La, la, la. I thought I bought MULN I once with last week holding. Yeah. What is the public float on GOVX? I'll take a look in a second here. Let me take a look. Yeah. So MULN needs to get above this level here, Pablo. Right. Not Kelly. Okay. There you go. Thank you very much, Dan. Thank you. So I don't have to switch. Whew. Let's go, Dan. Thank you very much. 9.26 million. Perfect. And there you go again. MULN failing at 150. Same story. Over and over and over. Red box, not quite above $7 here. DD is trying. Hmm. Good morning, Opiyami. Let's go. And ETR is testing support. Okay. Let me take a look at CYN again here. So again, we talked about CYN quite a bit this morning, right? It's failing. Yeah, it just stuck at 155 here. Like it just seems like it's in that accumulation phase there, Roger, which is not the worst, right? So that thing again needs to not fail below, um, right? Needs to not break below 150. Right, again, it's not every play is gonna work out. Not every play is gonna work out, right? So not every play is gonna work out here. But then when you take a look at some of these charts, you're willing to take the gamble, right? Good to be back, Kelly. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good to have you back. All right. So and I would take a gamble like that anytime with a really tight stop loss and the understanding that every play will not work out, right? So and if it breaks below that support, that's fine. But I don't mind the fact that it's consolidating here a little bit, right? So and see if we can send it. It breaks below 150, okay, different story, right? 145, different story, right? So, in the red box might oh, I'm really starting to. I don't know why I didn't do this over the weekend, but that's becoming really annoying. Um, Corinda, good morning. How are you? MULN resistance J 150. 150. Let's see here. I'm just quickly reading some of these comments that I missed. La 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 la. Yeah, so Jay, watch for that 150 level there. Anyways, I don't really want to watch CYN because that's really slow. Not really something that I want to be. That's more of a right. So you lazy criminal. I'm sorry. I don't know why I didn't. I just completely forgot Musty. completely forgot. Face, yo yo yo. Anyways, Spy is pushing for that 415 level again. I feel like Spy will, I'm hoping, but it just gives us the vibe that Spy will push that 416 level today, which should be good for everything. I mean, like even MULN will go right if Spy is come on now, let's go already. Hey Sunny, hey yo, I need to plug in my. Oh, come on, Spy, you can do this. Plug my stuff in there. MULN has a catalyst this month as it sets to be added to the roster 3000. Again, that's another thing, right? So yeah, so the roster 3000 there, we talked about that one early this morning. We looked at that news article quite quickly there. So yeah, MULN has a catalyst, right? So next three candles, next three candles pump. Oi, yeah. I mean, look at Spy go now. Spy just hit a new high there, John. Right. So your Tesla calls would be yeah. So what I was watching for there though, John, is that double bottom, right? If this thing broke below this little W here, okay, and then that's bye bye for those long positions. But yeah, like it's pushing for new highs here. Tesla is. Spy is right. So 416 is what we need. 416 break above, close above today, and you got the split for Amazon. Nice, congratulations. Hopefully you make some money. Is Dizzy Dan? Hey yo, good morning. I know, John. That's annoying. Look at this now, right? Look at this. Look at this. It's gone, right? 416. So that's really really good, right? So hopefully a run up into like 420s as we go into the Fed meetings next week, 14, 15, right? June 14, 15. So hopefully a run up into next week. Sopa is getting ready. Okay, Sopa. Super. No, see if we can break above this 416 level and actually hold above this on a bigger time frame, like the 15, the 30 minute, the hourly, the 2 hours, something bigger, right? And then we can celebrate. Yeah. And then we can celebrate. Spy pumping is good for everything. I mean, like even uone and CARV will push up to spy pumping. Because if I quickly take a look at CARV now, yeah, CARV pushed up a little bit with this spy candle, right? So that's amazing. DMS, what's your thoughts on laser? Are you in a position or what are you looking for? Wait, because DXY, the dollar last night, and the 10 year are going up as well. Musty, everything's going up. Everybody wants monies. Everybody wants monies this morning, Musty. Um, yeah, everyone's looking for the monies. So the dollar's going up. The 10 year, that's it, except for oil. Okay, except for oil. Anyways, again, MULN is still struggling with that level there. Redbox is almost like double topping here at this, just below $7. So again, we're gonna need Redbox to break above that previous high if it's gonna pump it. DD not really doing a whole lot, right? It seems more of like a pre-market gapper stock than anything else. Let me take a look at what was the other one there, Pablo, that I wanted to look at. I can't remember now. Can't remember honestly. It's not Sun. It's not Sun. It's something else. It's not Sun W either. Yeah, it's slowly creeping up there. Gap up, sell off, and well, monies. I'm here for free ice cream. Free ice cream. Let me take a look at Sopa. Sopa. Sopa's red. Let me see what that daily looks like, Emmer, and then we can go from there. Oh, Spy's loving it, guys. Spy's no, not that one either. Sopa not too bad. Like around $2 and not too bad. I just deleted a line in. Anyways, yeah, Sopa doesn't look too bad. But my only concern there, Emma, is that it's sitting in the middle of like resistance and support, right? So this would have been a nicer buy around $2, right? It's not a huge difference, right? So anyways, $2 support, 260 resistance here. So Sopa needs to break that too. I know we were watching this last Friday too. We looked at this on Friday and we talked about that 260 level. It never broke above and held it, right? So yeah, I'd almost be waiting for if we can go from like if we can go from red to green there, Emmer, not much volume either. Yeah, no, not a whole lot, right? So if we can go from red to green for SOPA here, maybe something to look at, right? With a tight stop loss, because at any point you don't want this thing breaking below $2 again, right? Because if it does, then red flags. No $2, nothing below. Spy 420, yeah, right, Roger. So yeah, that's what we talked about this last night in Discord again. So if we can hold above this 416 level, then we're looking for 420 here for Spy, right? So this would be is this the high? Like, let me take a look at the daily chart again, guys. No, not quite yet, right? So not quite yet. We had a candle that was a little bit higher, 417.30. Okay, cool. Anyways, you can see how many times we've tested this level though and failed at 416, failed to close above 416. So if we can close above 416 today, then you're looking for 420 here next, right? So, good, perfect, right? Again, push, flag, consolidate, hold above 47, double bottom of 47, higher low, right? And that higher low goes all the way to like May the 24th, right? So we've been closing or at least not selling off, right? So we haven't been making new lows since May the 24th or something like that, right? So again, high, 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 high. So we look good, right? So please just give us 420, please and thank you. We want some boom booms. Come on, fix yourself. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Glad you're still in on the options. Okay. There's a before we can trust it. I'd be looking for like a bigger time frame there, John. Something like an hourly, something like the daily would be beautiful. BTC say, thanks, bye. I know, right, Crystal? I know. Easy call flips. Yeah, like honestly, like Michelle, Amazon calls. Why not, right? So there, that's the one I think, Pablo. That's the one. Spy is just hitting new highs here. So market looks good today, guys. Scalp to 420 is what you're looking for, Roger. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Richie. One second. Interesting. Let's go. Anyway, so switching back here to some of the names who are supposed to be watching. I'm gonna put up FTTI Solar. 22%. Okay, cool. Nice sell off. This one has a interesting. Anyway, so MULN failed again at that 50 level, $1.50. But Redbox is looking interesting, right? Redbox is slowly pushing for the highs here. Come on, just give us $7 and send it. New York is up 15%. And New York is another like gap and gold stock again. Emmer, New Egg, and EGG. Interesting. What's the volume? Oi, that volume too. Yeah, that volume. Not a whole lot. Let me take a look at Goog because $90. Yep. And then Amazon. What's Amazon at here? Yep, Amazon Gons. Right. So Amazon Gons. There you go. Right. She took spy pods and virus. Or maybe they decided to sleep in this morning, John. Like, you know what, guys? Has an event today as well. Okay. Yeah. Again, so we talked about this one last night in Discord about Amazon calls, right? Amazon calls, Amazon calls. People love Amazon, right? So even Amazon and Google, right? So we talked about taking some Amazon calls if we can break above that resistance at 126, right? So Google is next for sure. Oh, Michelle, for sure, for sure. For some reason, I got the dates confused. What's the date? Does anybody know the date for Google? What's the date for Google? In Discord? Oh yeah, thank you very much, John. Thank you. Thank you. What's authorization? Perfect. Stock news. Calls. I'm still browsing the news here. The news. Okay, perfect. I don't nah. What's with interesting presenting a headset VR? Okay, cool. Amazon. Google is July 18th. Okay, July 15th for Google. July 18th to 15th. Um, no, hopefully Oi. Um, Bridget, hey yo, good morning, Bridget. No, hopefully we get a. Amazon was nice though because of like the fact that we've been selling off for quite a while now for Amazon, right? So that was nice, really nice. Oh. Next thing you know, Amazon's gonna be at $200 again, Michelle. Right? So like when I look at these things, though, I'm like when I say like break above like 126 and potential position, like I'm not just looking for like a scalp on that. I'm looking for like those options for a few months out, and then go from there. Friday, it takes effect on Monday. It takes effect. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so the same thing as Amazon, right? The third, but then it's the sixth, right? So yeah, cool. Come on, Redbox. Redbox is giving those vibes there, Pablo. Like it's about to send it. Let's see it. Yeah, sell call buy shares. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, creeping up to 7, Professor. Yeah, it is. Oh, and then it dips. Then it dips. Shareholders of class are set to receive additional 19 shares of each stock they own by July 15 close, if approved by shareholders. July. Oh, that's a ways away then. Okay, never mind. Um, yes, visit Amazon to $200 here. No, come back in a month. Well, maybe that's too. Come back at the end of the year, right? Come back at the end of the year. Or 220. Yeah, YMTX. I 20%. We looked at that one too pre-market, Pablo. I just took it off because it wasn't doing a whole lot and it was selling off. So I just took it off. Amazon almost at 128 there. 128. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, that's a ways away, Musty. Which is quite a ways away. No, Amazon does look good. So if you're buying some Amazons, congrats on the monies. If you bought what did we go to? Sell at 124? 124. Something else I want to look at. I just can't something else. Can't remember. Oh whatever. Whatever. Amazons. 128. Look at that thing go. Look at that thing go. Come on, Amazon. Go, 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 go. Send it, please and thank you. And what's this looking like? And then we come back to Amazon. Still holding above there? Yeah, still is. Still is. Still is. One second, guys. Let's see. It is Annabelle. IMT is halted. Okay. Trying to decide if I should trying to decide if I'm going to sell FTCI. Any thoughts on FTCI, Jason? Sure, I can take a look. What did you buy at, Jason? What did you buy at? Let me know in the chat. Good morning, Jeff. So FTCI. FTCI here. So that's running thanks to Biden, right? Um, yeah, what did you buy this thing at here? Again, gap ups are usually for selling, right? So that thing ran all the way to what 520 something, and now it's giving us a little dip. In terms of levels, here I'm gonna have to take a look at the daily because I'm not really gonna get a whole lot from that. That's a really nice daily candle, right? So just let me know what you bought this thing at, Jason, and then we can go from there. All right, 20%. That's really nice. Very nice. This thing has support all the way, so I'd be looking for this level here, like one like 464, 465. That would be your next level support. You bought at $5. Oi, you FOMO this morning. Yeah, FOMO. I was hoping you were in profits, but you bought this morning. It looks like, right? So this thing could easily sell up to 465 and still be okay, right? So since you bought this morning, then that's a different story there, because then I'd have to look at a smaller time frame here. Um, it's trying to double bottom. It's trying to double bottom around this 480 level, 480, 484, whatever that low is, right? So since pre-market, okay, perfect. Yeah. So this 480, 480, 480 ish level, right? So honestly, since you bought a 503, right? So I would just set a stop loss. I don't know where your risk tolerance level is. You want to make sure you know where your stop loss is as soon as you get into a position, right? So I would just almost set a stop loss at like 479, and then if you're concerned about this thing selling off more, I would just look to set a stop loss, because if you can you FOMO, yeah, you FOMO, right? So yeah, four more, and this thing could easily sell off all the way down to like 460 something and still be okay, right? So um, yeah, that 480 level there, Pablo. It's interesting. Yeah, because I don't see anything else that's showing signs of life. Any sign of life yet? I don't see it. I would be Redbox is at 7. Okay, given the solar panel pump speech, yeah. Anyways, yeah, just set a stop loss. Find a monetary value, like something. Say I'm willing to lose $100, $50, something like that, and then set a stop loss and go from there. So, anyways, Redbox is about $7, guys. Above $7. Come on. So now let's go, please and thank you. Right. So 720, 750s, and let's get squeezing, please and thank you. No more time for rubbish. No more time for rubbish. Ying, good morning, Ying. Can you take a look at Sen? You're looking for an entry? Okay. Sen throw? Okay, I'll take a look. CENN. Electric vehicle. So it's up what, 14% today? You're looking for an entry into this here. So let me take a quick look. It's been running since the open here. Like it's just been going, right? So back to $12. Should have bought that dip. TJ? Yeah. RMTE. What a stock. I think will hunt us. Well, anyways, so you can see here though that on the daily, Ying, I'd be waiting for that thing to break above $2 before I buy it, right? So you see all these levels here, right? So you go back to like what is this? April the 25th, struggle bus, like all the way like around this range here. It's been playing with that level, right? So just below $2, I would wait for this thing to break above $2 first before I look at it, right? If not, troubles, right? So resistance at 310. Okay. Yeah, I would wait for that thing to clear $2 first, the yen, before I look at it. If not, potentially potential of no. That's price going up in case his internet is down. Peter says I just sent AMC a telegram. That's price going up. AMC doesn't care for some reason today. I don't know why. But let me take a look at YMM. It looks like it's bottoming out. Yeah, that's a nice. No. Yeah, it does seem to be bottoming out here. I like this little bit of a consolidation, um, and that's another thing too, Joe. Like I take this all the time too, where like if we bottom out like this and we start curling up, I'm willing to take that gamble with the stop loss at the low of the candle, right? So at the lows of the day, and that minimizes like the risk you're taking, right? So um, so camping below 150, yeah. Any news? But it's trying to move up. Yeah, for Central. Okay. Yeah, that thing needs to break above that $12, that $2 level there, Hugh. That's another like retail FOMO name. People like that stuff. Um, yeah, it does seem to be bottoming out here, Joe. So is that the actual float? That doesn't seem right. Interesting. Oh, that doesn't seem right. Anyways, come on, red box. We need a squeezer today. We need something to go. We need something to pump today. Like today, Monday, new. We need to go. Like something has to go today. MULN, yeah, MULN isn't really doing a whole lot there. So, red box looks good. Joe, are you in? Are you? That's huge. Are you in on this already, Joe? You're in, aren't you? In and waiting for the pump. Let me take a look at send one more time here and then come back. $2. Yeah, that thing should break above $2 at here. Otherwise, it's just like it's just whatever. All right, it needs to crack $2 there before I'm interested. Um, if not, meh, meh. You're watching for now? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, $8, 8.15. Cool. See if we can get a nice little backtest there on that, Joe. Right. So see if we can get a little backtest on that play, and then that might be nice. Something to look at. Something to look at. I'm just quickly editing some of these indicators here. Nah. Interesting. Nah. Cool. 20. And it's not coming back. MULN is gonna boom boom. I'm ready for MULN to boom boom. We've been watching MULN for the last however long now, so I'm ready for MULN to boom boom. They're not gonna torch me off the jump. No, not today, Joe. Not today. No. No. Oh, it's on the list as well. Central is on the list. What's going on? Like, are these guys looking for meme stocks to add on the list, Pablo? Like, what's going on here? What are they looking for? They're adding everything. Red box, MULN. Um, oh well. Oh well. I don't know what Redbox is doing there, but you know how sometimes you get the vibe of that something's about to explode. Even though Redbox looks good here, it's just very slow in like the way it's moving. Not quite giving that vibe yet. Na, 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 na. Um, see what's CYN doing here. So CYN not really doing a whole lot, right? So not doing a whole lot at all. It doesn't have any volume, right? So it doesn't have a whole lot of volume yet. So CYN here, nothing there yet. Na, 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 na. Crystal halts incoming. You think we're about to halt to the upside? Well, I'm ready. It's name out there big time. People are going to notice it's the real deal. MULN is? Well, MULN needs to get above 150, please, and thank you. MULN needs to get above 150. That's what it needs. 175. Okay. 175. And also, Spy is trying to turn around here too. Well, it was, and then said, "Nope, I'm just gonna fail." But it's trying to find a nice little base here and for 415.70, which is good. Is that 415.70? 415.60. Okay, cool. Let me take a look. Yeah, I actually don't mind that one, Pablo. FTCI. Yeah, I don't mind that at all. I think that's the one I wanted to watch. Na, na, na. Don't mind this at all here. Not that I'm ready to. Not that I'm ready to. I'm ready to scalp it yet, but I just don't. Yeah. At some point, we will go for that run up, right? So it would just be nice to get a double bottom or somewhat of a retracement to one of those moving averages, right? So that's what I'm looking for there. You don't want to have it be something like this, push it and then not really hold anything and then sell off again. So I'd really like for it to consolidate somewhere, right? Give us a double bottom. I don't mind this at all. The fact that it's we've had like a few candles here at 475, so that's really good, right? So, Said, I hope you made your money's back, right? You were down $5,000 on Redbox, weren't you? You're down $5,000 on Redbox at $7. So you're happy, aren't you? 710? Yeah, congrats. You're green now, right? You're green for Redbox here. You're happy? You're at the beach today? Aren't nice? So congratulations. Price target. There's no price target, for like momentum names like this, there really isn't a price target. It's more about like how you can manage your trade as every minute goes by. Every minute candle gives you some more information so you can manage to trade properly, right? So it looks really good for now, right? It's hitting new highs of the day. So I would be looking for stop loss and then just slowly moving that thing higher and higher and higher and higher, right? So your next level of resistance, well, let's just say 750 for now, right? So you want to have that thing pushed to that level so you can find a stop loss and then go from there. So again, like it's more about like forget about the price targets because that will blind you into like making decisions that you might not be right. So more about like managing your trade as you get new candles, right? So it's hitting highs of the day for now. It looks really good there. Red box does. So 725. You're up what? You're up $1,000 now. Yeah, I mean you were down $5,000. Now you're up $1,000. That's amazing. So congrats, right? So I know Pablo talked about a potential. Not sure how that would work, Pablo, with them potentially being acquired and potential offering coming soon for Redbox. We'll see. You probably get out, yeah, yeah. I mean, if you're happy, I mean, you were down $5,000 to up $1,000. That's some nice gains. That's some really nice gains. That's completely up to you, right? So what I like to do sometimes is just set a stop loss at half of the gain, so I know I'm guaranteed half of that. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, well, at least I'm not losing on anything, and I'm locking in some profits, right? So you should have got in. Yeah. What is it at YMM? It left without you. Yeah, it just kept going. Yep. It just left. Very nice. Joe. Yeah, very nice. That's okay though. That's okay. Spy is trying to they're spy, right? So spy consolidating around that 415.80 level, 464 1560 level, and right back about 416. So that looks really good, right? So a little bit of consolidation for spy. See if we can push for the highs at 416.61 there. Come on, spy, you can do this. I just got out a red box, small gain, locking in the profits. Honestly, Emmer, why not? Right, so why not? It's confusing. Redbox are trading in the cup. Honestly, my Pablo, yeah, man. Redbox might be a play where like you scalp it every day without news and then lock in those profits every single day, right? So and avoid the overnight drama for Redbox because you don't know what's coming for Redbox, right? You can scalp it during the day, right? But then the overnight is yeah. Good to be back. Welcome back. Yeah, good job, good job, good job. 662 Comptons, you're always in there, aren't you? Always in there, yeah, guys. Um, as you guys gain more, with that little post in Discord like last night. So as you guys gain more experience, you're gonna you're gonna really see the importance of locking in profits. and then just doing it over and over and over again, right? So what you're looking for in the market is consistency, right? So if you can consistently like make $2 over and over and over and over with a certain strategy, you're doing really well. You're doing really, really well, right? So, and if you can do that over and over and over, you're going to be very successful, right? So, where we run into trouble most of the time is when like you buy a stock and then you just become a diamond hand and you're hoping that it gives, it just, you forget about like what the candles are telling you, what the chart is telling you, and you're just wanting to get what you want from that stock. It's not always going to work that way, right? So whatever the market gives you, take it and say thank you very much. What next, right? And just do that over and over and over again, right? So, and you will do well, right? Hopefully. Well, Amazon 10x, I don't know. Amazon will 10x. I don't know if Amazon will 10x. Futu, Roger. Those guys are Futu. Yeah, I'll take a look at Futu. You have a love and hate relationship with Redbox. I know you do, because you're always in there. You're always in there. I hate it, but yes, I know. Always in Redbox. Anyways, back to Redbox and the others here. So Redbox is let me see what that daily looks like for Redbox here. Yeah. What level is that? 750? Yeah, 750 would be nice. 750 would be nice there. It's interesting, yeah. 750s. Stock with Killer. SENN. Centro. $1.99. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Yeah, see if we can break above $2 here. That's really what I'm looking for here. So, yeah, Chinese stonks. Yeah, I mean that's really good news, honestly. Right, go into like Neo into like reporting earnings on Friday, Thursday or whatever. That's really good news. MULN, yeah, look at MULN, guys. Back to 140 here. Like MULN just isn't doing it at 150. So MULN, of course, is not a buy. Uh, Pound it down. Oh, Gevo. Okay. Yeah, MULN is not a buy below 150. Like, well, you know what I mean when I say below 150, like close to that 150 level. We know it's resistance. You want to be very careful there. D-Row, YMTX. Okay. Yeah, it's been a while since I looked at that. Can't get it. Yeah, for some reason, you can't get back past that level. So either like you're looking for close to 120 for MULN, or you're looking for that thing to break above 150 first. Because all the other levels are just a little bit confusing. Heavy resistance, yeah. I wonder if they're actively holding it below that level for accumulation there, dog. But let's go, Virus. Hey yo, how are you? Good to see you, Virus. Good morning. Spy put time. Spy put time, Virus says. Spy's holding. If Spy can hold above this 416 level there, Virus, I think we're fine. For push to 420. For push to 420. We've been watching this 416 level for the last week now, so we're finally above that level. If we can hold above this level on a consistent basis here, and then we're ready for 420. 420. Virus says puts, time for puts. I don't know. I don't think I'm interested in puts. Not yet. I've been waiting for you. I know, right? John? Yep. There's five puts. Come on. Hopefully I don't get a glitch here because I feel like it's coming. Come on, no glitch. Might need to let me see if I can switch networks. Go. Perfect. More volatile than um Peter. um 163 for CYN. For now, dog, like I'm not really looking at anything in terms of resistance, just because like we're sitting at support, right? So all I'm looking for is my stop loss. Like I'm just looking to have that stop loss and then forget about anything else that happens above that for now until we get a nice run up, until we get some nice boom booms. I'm just gonna forget about those levels and then just watch that 150 level, right? If we break below that, that's all I'm paying attention to for now. Um, all I'm paying attention to for now. Oh, they did an offering. Oh, on the calls. Guess I'll just sit back and wait. Okay, sounds good. Peter's the OG criminal. Yeah, he is. Let's see here. Something I wanted to. CYN. Yeah, I want to see what it's 163. Yeah, it's not really doing a whole lot for now, dog. Right? It's not even moving at all. Right? So the volume really isn't there either. Right? So just watching that level at like 150 for now. Um, and the low for the last week is 146 ish. So I'm watching that level closely. If we break below that, then okay, cool. That's a problem. FTCI. It's curling up still. Okay. Oh yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad there, Pablo. Not bad at all, right? So yeah, I wish that double bottom there, that W there, Pablo, was more defined, but that's fine, right? So that's all you're looking for, something that gives you any signs of like life, broke above the 9 and the 20 there at 480, and it's pushing up there now, which is nice. You slid up your on charge point, Hugh. Nice, congrats. It's been a what margin? It's been a criminal his whole life. Most people are criminals. Uh, I stock reader, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not sure what to tell you. And Redbox had a nice little dip here. Hmm. Yeah, Redbox is very confusing because it's pushing up and it's up 10%, right? But it just doesn't give you that vibe of like, okay, we're about to explode here. You can usually tell, right? I just really I don't know, something about it. I hope it does go. I hope it does go here, but. And MULN is holding 140 there at around the 50. Okay. Amazon stock is good to buy. What's Amazon at here? La 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 la. Amazon was a nice buy when it broke above 126. So, or before that, right? So, it was a nice buy. It's been pushing since the open here now. So, 126 was the level we talked about last night and this morning, right? So 126. Now we're going for 129 here for Amazon, right? It looks good. It looks really good. YM10 to see what happens. Okay, below 110, 110. Yeah, there you go, Hugh. Right, so 110. Wish alert. Highs of the day for Wish. Oh, how's Wish pushing for the highs of the day and AMC can't even seem to move? That's my question. Look at Wish. Wow. Yeah, Pablo. Wow, wow, wow. Look at Wish. Up 13% today. And AMC says, hey guys, my name is Useless Goats. And I don't know what to do with myself. Anyways, yeah, Wish looks good there. Oh, 13%. What's the, yeah, 5 million? Okay, cool. I mean, that's a big flow too. Like half a million, half a billion with that float. So cool. Yeah, FSL. Yeah, I wanted to look at FSL this week for because of like all that stuff that's happened, and also the fact so FSL is another name that we talked about last night in Discord, if you guys remember, right? So with the earnings calendar, with them reporting earnings later this week, so FSL just out of nowhere, because I know we looked at FSL this morning, right? Out of nowhere, FSL said, okay, cool, it's time, right? So yeah, 9% for FSL. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, we looked at this stuff this morning, and it was sitting at like close to $4. And I think these names might finally start to. They might be taking on the solo, like the solo Biden news there, and yeah, see if we can get a diff for FCell. Interesting. $110 for Amazon. $10. Anyways, yeah, SPY is just consolidating here, guys. Not a whole lot going on there. Let's make it W for DD. Okay, perfect. DIDI. I think we've been waiting for something to happen with DD for a little bit now. What did I get rid of there? I got rid of something I didn't want to. DD. Yeah. Almost closer to resistance now, Dan. See if this thing can get above like 290. I wish it was just three. I wish we could just say $3. It's I wish we could just say $3 here, but yeah, 290 there. See if we can break above that level, right? So that was a nice little spot there, Dan. Around like 275 ish. Yeah, like around 275 with the stop loss at the low here would have been really nice actually, right? It's 275 and then stop loss at 269 here at the lows of the day. Not too bad, right? No. If you sell and for you today, trick, okay, nice, very nice. Boy, come on, work. There you go. What is this? Shift here. Musty. I don't know. I don't know. No, spy looks okay. So that's fine. The spy looks okay there to me for now, right? So and yeah. So if you sell here needs to that's DD. Yeah, DD needs to get above that 290 level there, right? If you tops 290 and then go from there. Thing was a huge news. Yeah, Roger. Yeah. So I'm sure FuSol is loving that. Red box again. Still fighting the good fight. Yeah, Friday CPI numbers. Yeah. Yeah, the only thing, yeah, so CPI numbers at the end of the week, and then you have the Fed next week, right? The 14th and the 15th there. So other than that, retail can run the market this week. Hopefully, these guys need to. Hopefully, no more tweets. These guys need to stay in the. They need to stay in the office. Kramer, don't say anything. Biden, don't say anything. Powell, please don't say anything. Just leave the market alone. Leave the market alone, please. So yeah, DD is failing at that 290 level there, guys. So just be a little bit cautious. No, for $5. Oh, nice! Wow, that's a nice run up. That's a really nice run up there from that just about 475 there for just about 470. Yeah, that's a really nice run up there, Pablo. Yeah. Oh, MULN is that? Yeah, MULN really isn't doing a whole lot there, so. Cool. Failing at 5 on this move up, yeah. Yeah, we feel that what like for 499, 499. Let's see, what are some of these Juneteenth plays looking like here? Some of these plays. What's the volume for CARV here today? What is 1109? Yeah, CARV releasing yeah. That's what, yeah, it doesn't have any volume either. It's $20,000. Wow. That's nothing at all. What's the volume here for uone? It's also red with 100,000 in volume. Wow. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Stock with FLT. What's your position? Give me some details. Yeah, go sleeping, Pablo. Um, what's your position in FLT? Let me know. Give me some details. What am I looking for? Are you in it already? Looking for an entry, exit? What are you looking for? Give me some details, please, and thank you. Please. Let me take a look at Excel again here. Sales 49, nice. Yeah, see if Excel can bounce up this 20 here at 446, and then push for 450, which it is kind of. But yeah, see if we can hold that 20-day moving average here. All right, Excel. Can I tell you if it's a good play? It's getting some. What is Speedo? Let me take a look. FLT. Is it a good play? I don't know. See what that looks like. Is it a good play? It's struggling at 250 here, right? 250, $250. I'd be careful, right? So there's a lot of resistance here at 250. Is it a good play? At the right level, anything is a good play, right? So it's not this one. It's not this one. Well, FLT. Well, that's the unless it's a different ticker, then give me some details. Yeah, you're asking for FLT. FLT. That's FLT. So I'm not sure. Let me know which one it is. Drone Delivery Canada. Okay. Drone Delivery Canada, la la la, FLT, Canada Corp, TXXV. This one, or this one you have to do the research. You'd have to do the research on this one here, right? I'm not sure if it's a good play because I'm not sure what these guys do. It's had a nice little run up already as well to resistance here. So is it a good play? It's run up to 70 cents, and there's resistance here at 70 cents. So I would be careful. It's like 70 cents to 75. There's a little bit of resistance here. So if you've done the research and you like the company long term, okay, cool. You can maybe start. You can scale in, right? Other than that, though, I I don't think I'm interested here though, because it's run up to 70 to 75, right? I don't want to buy this thing at 75 cents and then have it sell off, right? I mean, look at that, right? So you notice how like it's filled here once. A few circles here for you, right? So you notice like that right there, right here, and we're approaching that level almost, right? So a few cents away. So I'm really not, I'd almost like let it break up first before I make that decision, right? And then go from there. Come on, Spy, pop up already? I know. Feeling there. FTI. What's it doing? Just consolidating at the top there. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, all that fun stuff. And if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, the membership link is at the bottom of this message here. So at the bottom of that message. I'm already in there. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, if you're in there already, then that's a different question, right? So that's why like I ask for details, because if you're in a stock and it's pumping, that's a different answer. If you're not in and it's pumping, well, wait for the dip, right? So yeah. Yeah. No, because yeah, stock with killer, like it's different. You can hold the stock and it's pumping, and then it's like, oh, okay, that looks really good. Whereas if you're looking for brand new position and it's up 50% already, then you want to be very careful, right? So FTCI here, Pablo is trying to from a with the drone, yeah, nice, cool, to run to Edmonton. Oh yeah, Pablo, that thing is breaking about that $5 level there finally. Finally. Canada. Maybe they get bought up by like I don't know, by like an Amazon or something, and then you're gonna be very happy, right? So, anyways, yeah, SPY is just Roger. SPY is just consolidating here, but above 416, which is good, which is really good because we could barely do this last week. Like we could barely hold about around these levels last week, right? So, um, yeah, there you go. So if we can just consolidate above 416 here for SPY, I think that's perfect. Let get your flip flop here. Get your flip flop. You have flip flops, Diamond? Don't think so, right? So don't think so. Don't think so. Oh, it's trying Pablo. 506. 506. Come on. What's Redbox doing? Redbox is still below $7. I come on, Redbox. Yeah, like honestly, like Redbox just doesn't give that vibe of like, like it's about to explode. It just doesn't. I don't know. Man, thank you for making me money today. What happened? What did I do? I didn't do anything. What did you do, Aman? What did you buy? What did you buy? And congrats on the gains, Aman. What did you buy? What did you buy? No conviction here. For what? For Redbox? Or for Spy? Low volume. For Redbox? Yeah. Yeah, that thing needs to go. It needs to go, 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 go. It needs to absolutely send it with some. No, congrats. All right, congrats. Good job. Good job. Yeah, the DXY is pumping too. That's yeah. Don't know how they're all doing that at the same time there, but yeah. Money back for Fusel. Yeah, Fusel is another one of those names that I like to watch from time to time. But yeah, some no congrats Trick on your Fusel gains here. So just make sure you have a plan for that position. Close. We should start dumping. Yeah. Okay. Euro. Anyways, spiders look okay though. Right. Good morning, Craig. Are we at the highs of the day yet? No. Almost. Almost. 20 cents away here from the highs of the day. Come on, Spy. You can do this. Give us 417. Oh, here we go. 13 cents away from the highs of the day. Come on. Unbelievable. You're buying all the Veru dips? Yeah. Veru. You bought a whole bunch of MULN calls, IJ Bird? Okay, sounds good. Do I think the economy is going to collapse in 6 months? No. Um, just because the market struggles and the economy struggles and gas prices go up doesn't call for a collapse, though, right? So these things will always come back and push higher. So a collapse, no. Yeah, 475. Yeah, 475. Could be a bearish confirmation for what, for SPY? Or you mean for like the DXY not performing pumping there, Musty? Yeah. I see what you're saying. I see what you are saying. Let's see here. Yeah, DXY pumping. Yeah. Spies being I don't know. Maybe virus will get some spy puts. Some spy puts. I mean, we are like struggling with that 416. The T-Rex, the T-Rex. No, spy release. It's not doing the T-Rex though. That's the thing. Like it's playing games here. The T-Rex is also meant for some of these pumpers. Uh, yeah. I don't know. We'll see what it does. Redbox is back above $7, so that's good. Should I buy Doge? Why do you want to buy Doge? What's your I think he dreams puts. Virus does. Yeah, he does. Brontosaurus. Upside down. Oh, yeah. At 8 cents, it's a deal. There you go. Now, just like the reason I asked though, Trick, is because like you almost want to have someone like understand. You in at 4 cents. You almost have, like you want to have people understand like for something like Dogecoin, you want to make sure that you understand like why you're getting to a position, right? So, um, right, if you made, we would buy them. Jay, become a member. Jay, become a member and join us in Discord, and then yeah, there is merch. Anyways, yeah, you want to make sure that you understand the reason why, right? So your um, Doge is about to pump, yeah. Okay. Yeah, they're doing their whatever launch, right? Their rocket launch. I'm sure Dogecoin is gonna pump into that. So yeah. Nah, nah. Dogecoin. One of these days, Dogecoin will give us 20%, 20% rally. So let's go, Must. Yeah, yeah. I used to be good guy before the market started acting up. Honestly, virus, you just have to adapt, right? You just have to adapt. Spy is still holding. Like Spy is still holding here, still holding the same level that it has been holding over the last like few minutes here, 20 minutes or so, right? So which is good. But yeah, be careful with Doge. John says, yeah, um, Dogecoin. So, no, like what I like about some of these smaller names, John, is that like honestly, sometimes you don't have to rush into them, right? So you don't have to rush into any of these like smaller like momentum names because the driving factor for a lot of these things is FOMO. All you have to do is watch really closely, and whenever Doge seems like it's about to send it, okay, FOMO, right? If Doge starts giving you a 5% and it looks like it's about to go, okay, cool. Get into and ride the wave. If there's a catalyst, get in and ride the wave, right? So you don't have to like you know um, you know what I mean. He used to be a good guy, and he says, and then he types joy. Yep. He used to be a good guy. Unbelievable. He used to be a good guy. New box of bird seeds, guys. I got a new box of bird seeds. So they're not bird seeds. They're mix like fruit and like all that stuff, like almonds. So got a new box. So we're good to go. That'll be done in like a day though. But yeah. Yeah, Barry, trail mix. Trail mix. And whatever that investor's name is, said the 10-year will probably top out at 3. Yeah, okay. To 3.0. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, honestly, though, that guy, whoever that guy is, um, needs to go back into his office and chill. Anyways, yeah, Redbox is slowly creeping up here. Like $25 a box for trail mix. Mine was a little bit cheaper than that, but yeah, these things are not. They're kind of expensive. Oh. Roger, that guy needs to go back into his office. That lady, whoever they are. Anyways, look at Redbox go. Ooh, okay, I like this better. Like this is the type of stuff you want to see. Some of these boom boom candles. It's bridge. What do you mean? Signs of life in crypto. Yeah. You know why that is though? Because the market is pumping crypto crackhead. The market can seem to do its own thing. In my books, I'm on DM. Let's go, Devin. Let's go. Look at that. Diamond Musty making diamonds monies. AERC. I remember that one too. That was the one that IPO'd and ran to like $100 and then crashed. Back below, like, wow, this thing is at what? All the way down here now? Boy, wow, wow, wow. Hey, you guys remember this IPO, the food company, right? Is that what it is? Like the cleaning, the airplane cleaning company when they IPO'd, right? Something like that. How is it today here, actually? Yeah. Ooh, AERC here. Yeah. Small float, yeah. But pump my stock too, Musty. Pump my stocks up too. uh, Actually looks really nice there, Pablo. Just the momentum on that looks really nice. Anyways, yeah, Spy still like Spy really is just consolidating. Like it's just holding 416, 41580, 41560, right? It's just holding those levels for now. Not really going anywhere, but it's not dipping either, right? It's not like giving signs of like, oh my goodness, we're about to crash, right? So which is good. Which is good. That looks really interesting there, Pablo. See if we can get a little bit of consolidation here around $2, $3. Because I know this thing's capable of running, but yeah. Spirit Air made good gains after partner with JetBlue. Yeah, it's because JetBlue increased their bid for Spirit Airlines. Like that deal was on the table for that deal's been on the table for about a month now. JetBlue and Spirit Airlines, they just increased the bid, and then yeah. Let's see. Spirit Airlines. Save. EU's closed now. Okay, good. We don't want them anyways. Just kidding. Let's see what Spy does now with Europe closed, right? So Europeans go to bed. No, no, no. Let's see what happens here with Spy now. See if we get pumping, just like last whatever, right, Musty? 30%. Wow. Your options expire on the 17th, right? So you have 2 weeks. 2 weeks. You're gonna need a mad pump, Musty. You just bought some Doge. Okay, let's go, Craig. Some Dogecoin. No, I hope Dogecoin sends it to the what's Bitcoin at anyway. So I want to take a look at some of these. So BTC's at 31.45. Okay, and Doge is up what 2.5% here, 8 cents. Doge just found some really nice support around 8 cents. You know, between like 8 and 7s. I found some really nice support. So it might not be a bad level for you. Might not be a bad level at all. Yeah, crypto's doing well today, but that's because yeah. I hope you're not going you're not buying too much Dogecoin, please. Um Noise, hey oh noise. Yeah, Spy and Tesla noise, yeah. So that's the S&P going sideways here. So yeah, and I don't mind this honestly. This is not bad at all, right? So nuts took a big dump today. DF, yeah, that's just nuts though. When the market pumps, nuts will struggle. Nuts is really good to watch when the market is dumping. People rotate over to nuts. It's a system to hold a closed meeting. Board of Governors of Federal Reserve System to what did they want now, Pablo? Oh Oh yeah, new egg. Yeah, new egg. New egg. NEGG pristine. Are you you're in on that stock, aren't you? I think you've been holding that one for a while now. Yeah. It finally broke. So we looked at new egg not too long ago. It's been a few minutes though, but that thing finally broke above that resistance at $5. Yeah. Finally did it. Wow. Finally did it. Pristine. Wow, nice. Not a whole lot of volume, but we know this thing can explode without a whole lot of volume anyway. So new egg. Come on, red box. Send it already. This one looks really interesting, Pablo. AERC here looks really interesting. Highs of the day. Yep. Hives of the day for AERC here. I just like eating the fruits in this thing. Everything else is okay, but a small amount, Craig. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mm. AERC. Oh yeah, that thing is hitting new highs here. Yep. 333. It's gonna be really volatile. I wish we were getting a dip here to one of these moving averages because buying at the highs of the day is not exactly it though, right? So highs of the day, nah. Give us a dip, please and thank you. Spy is still just consolidating here. 416. Come on, keep holding 416 Spy. You can do this. We believe in you. Well, do we? Yeah, we kind of do. So please. Hugh, for which one? I think I might have missed you. For which one? 38 billion for float. For which one, Hugh? This feels like Friday. It does, doesn't it? Yeah, it really does. Like honestly, even though we're green for most of these stocks here, it does feel really slow. Um, like we're having like random names rotate back and forth, and that's cool. But like, we want a ticker that will give us monies, but no, just 38 million. Is that what it is? Hmm. Thought it was lower than that for some reason here. Thought it was lower than that. It feels DM. It feels like Friday. Yeah. Like when you're rotating tickers like 10 cents here, 50 cents here, over and over from different tickers, it's not exactly like, not exactly it. Um, yeah. It's always nice when you can get like a specific sector just sending it all day long, or just one specific stock sending it, right? Then you can. It just seems like the S&P capped up and just sat flat, right? All these stocks are just waiting. SPY options expiry today. Then Wednesday and then Friday. Mm. Break above $2. Interesting. After lunch, Toto? Maybe. Maybe it's Monday, right? So you're hoping something runs at the beginning of the week here. So usually something does. Anyways, yeah. So we're breaking above that $2 level here in Central. So CENN, yeah. see if we can actually get above that level there, stock with killer, and then stay above, because it's not quite doing it yet, right? So we've been to $2, 201, but nothing's held above that level yet, right? So that's what I would be paying attention to. Right? Can you break above that level and actually stay above that level? Because it's not doing it yet, right? So 201 on that candle there, just a massive pump there, right? And then right back below, there goes SPY. Yeah, SPY is just struggling at that level, right? For 416 again, 416 again, SPY. What are you doing? Virus, you're a criminal, absolute criminal. SPY says, there goes SPY. Um, you're mm, low double bottom at 413, 60, 70. Okay, cool. See if we can bounce up this 50 here. And determine the advance and discount rate for a closed board meeting to be held on June 6th at 11:30 a.m. Okay. And determine the advance and discount rates. Okay. Sell your stocks. Oh, guys, if you see virus type about puts, sell your stocks. That's funny. Next target, Andres. I'll take a look. That's funny. Yeah, we all know virus is a criminal. I'm just an island boy trying to make it. Yeah, we know virus is a criminal. Mm-mm. What happened here? Come on, give my charts back. Mm. Wow. The private island, yep. It really was, honestly, trick. Last June, yeah, crypto was pumping, meme stock were pumping, right? This June we still have questions. It's the early trick, but we have a lot of questions. John, I know you're asking how long we needed to stay above this level for at 416. We honestly never quite 416. So I know we were looking at 416 quite a bit today. Held above there a little bit. Nothing. Above, below, above, below, above, below. Like, nothing there yet at 416. Crypto one. um, anyways, um, don't think this like solidifies that we're about to crash back to 407 or anything like that, right? So we can't say that we were dropping for the first time here today, so we can't really say we're about to send it to the abyss. If we start creating some lower lows though and some lower highs, okay, then that's a different story, right? So, and keep in mind the S&P is almost up like 1% still today, right? So to take a look at a question for you guys in the chat though. What are you guys scalping today? What's your favorite stock of the day today? What is 414 support? Yeah. What's your favorite stock for the day? What would you like? Money. Let's go, Yavi. Hey yo. Dan was asking about you. I don't know if you responded to Dan, but 17%. Okay, nice. You are selling it or holding it, virus? Into options for witching events. Yeah. SL. Yeah, trick. No, SL's done well for you. Central, yeah, no, Central failed at CNN's failed at that level, at that $2 level, right? So it needs to hold above that level there before we get excited here. Red box is still looking really interesting, like really interesting here, right? And then of course AERC that's holding above 330 as well, so that's nice. Are you scalping this one, Hugh? Not Hugh, Pablo. Are you scalping this one, or you're just watching it for now? Oh, this week, 5% and up. Yeah, it's gone. Taking profits all this week. No, virus. Congrats. Good job. Good job. Good job. 5% and up. All the monies. What time is it? Your audio is not working. Okay. C web is also 14%. C web. C webs. Um, what's nice. Finance you could show homing. Okay, cool. Registration request. Interesting. I can sense a dump in 15 minutes. It's closed, Roger. And we're dumping. And we're dumping. We're dumping. We're being sent to the abyss. Wow, wow, wow. What's the low that they get here today? Oh, we're hitting lows? Are you kidding? We're actually hitting lows for the day here for SPY. Virus, those puts. Um, Unbelievable. Hitting lows of the day. This is Friday, isn't it? It's Friday. It's Friday, so tomorrow is Saturday, and unbelievable. Buy some Solana. She's only at $40. Yeah, some Solana. Okay, some Solana. Some SPY puts soon. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Anyways, hopefully we don't go from green to red. Otherwise, that might just be really frustrating. Don't tell me, oh virus. I will tell you. What dumping virus? Hitting EMC, hitting lows, and bringing EMC back down so you can get some more. Let's go SPY MCents. Okay, congrats. For you, Solana short. Okay. The people that absolutely believe that Solana is going to the abyss, and then the people that are like just like running into Solana. Uh, so just running into Solana to compete with ETH. Um, Iola puts two, so I'm good both ways. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. One second. I just have to wait 16 hours now to which side was so was happy. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, so the market opens again for you. Oh, okay, sounds good. Yeah, that's hard to deal with. Like watching the since you're in Europe, yeah, watching your market close and then having to wait till yeah, that's hard. It would be easy if you could just like do that and go to bed, but like you can't really. It's different when you're not in the U.S. market, right? So yeah, 19 minutes ago, yeah. Oh yeah, the options, yeah. AMC. Oh, AMC is at 11.89. Wow, wow, wow. AMC. Roger says, "Damn, it's over." It's not over, Roger. Um, it's not over yet. Um, if we go from like green to red, then okay, cool. We can say it's over, Roger. Roger says, "Damn, it's over." Today's gonna be oh, you missed it. Yeah, no, that's okay. Cause today you didn't sell them, Musty. Yeah. Really wish we had an easy mover here, because this is becoming you meant for your scalpy scalp. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Alan's Andy says, I took my 2K profit, but wish you kept took my you wish you kept it for $8,000 in profits, Andy, for like spy puts, or what did you buy? What did you play with? What did you play with? Oh, Amazon calls. Yeah, very nice. Wow, that's amazing. Oh yeah, those Amazon calls. Yep, almost. Don't want to say no brainer, but yeah. What does Amazon look like here now? Back to 120, 126 though. Yeah, 126.70. So it's selling off with the S&P, which is not a surprise. Which is not a surprise. What does MULN look like again here? 140. Yeah, MULN. Where's the rate? No, again, exactly right. $2,000. No, exactly, Andy. Like that's amazing. Congratulations. Good job. Good job. Good job. Why do I have two different charts up here? 339 for EERC. MULN is outperforming the market. I wouldn't. I don't know. I don't think I would say that. It's not outperforming the market. MULN has been stuck at like $1.40 all day today. Boy. EERC. Die, spy. Die. Why do you guys all want spy to die? That's my question. Why? Why, Star? Why do you guys all want spy to sell off to the abyss? Virus is asking for 110, Roger's asking for a sell off, Star is asking, come on, spy. um, easy there, Musty. Easy. You have 10%, Jay? For MULN? Yeah, but it's been sitting at that level though. That was a gap up and hold, right? No, like AERC just giving pump vibes here. See that thing can break about 350 here, Pablo. AERC. I know what Hugh is doing. I know what you're doing, Hugh. Criminal. When I sell, you want it to fly? Okay, sounds good. Just die, spy, please. A big Mullen pump? What's your Jaybird? What's your target for Mullen? What's your target for Mullen? Like when you say big pump, where do you see Mullen going to? As Mullen is about to break below 140. Again, like I don't mind Mullen. Don't mind Mullen at all. I think Mullen was a nice buy around 70 a dollar, right? No. If Spy breaks below these lows here, what is that? 412.80. If we fail to like find a nice little bottom here for Spy, right? Our 412.80 here, and I think that might be that might be an issue. Might be an issue. Slow and thrust, rock with it. Let's go, Varus. Is a great scalp on Spy put for Spy options. Yeah, 416. Yeah, it is. It is. Come on, Redbox, you can do this. Redbox is Spy is general market is not moving. Yeah. Unless they have some big news, right? Just joined the Rusty 3000. Yeah, we talked about that already. But that doesn't mean that doesn't mean that MULN just it ignores the rest of the market and pumps on its own, though, right, Jaybird? We've been watching MULN for a long time. We know exactly where those levels are. MULN isn't going anywhere below $1.50, right? MULN doesn't break above $1.50. It's not going anywhere. There will be no squeeze for MULN unless they drop some big news overnight. Sells off heavy tomorrow. John says, I bet my life. MULN sells off tomorrow. It is Diamond? Oh no. What is the jabbing? What is it called? It's called holographic. It's called holographic dreams. Is what it's called. Diamond. You know what I'm saying? Unbelievable. Come on, Spy. There we go. So a little bit of a turnaround here. See if we can find a momentary bottom here. Holographic dreams. Broke here. Yeah. No, again, like that's not just again like what's MULN at? MULN broke to 154. That's not how that works, though, right? So that's not how that works. Can't just break above 150 and say, yeah, it's done it, right? You can't just break above and then right back below and then say it's done it. It needs to consolidate above that level, you know? So what happens is once you break above a level that people watch closely, right, you build confidence, right? People are like, oh, wow, this level's not become, you know, we've been struggling to get above. It's finally above now. Okay, cool. That's when FOMO kicks in, right? So if it breaks above and then right back below, that doesn't really help anybody out, right? So no way, Peter. What did you do? Peter says sure. Just when Peter buys you and it decides to go to the bridge. Unbelievable. We were looking fine, Peter. CYN. What is it at here? 49? Yeah. And stop loss is set at like 144 for me, so if that thing decides to break there, Spy, I'm sure Spy isn't helping, right? So Peter said sure. Sure. That's funny. AERC here. Yeah, I don't really want to watch that one because I don't really find it. You know, it's super slow. Don't really want to watch that. Where is it now? Where is it now, Andy? Where is it now? interstellar music background. Yeah. Sure. Let's see, Cam. Free. I'm sure you've seen. No. There you go. Go Redbox. It's trying, right? 720 is down 20% for VLON. Wow. Bestie, uone is dumping hard. Okay, yeah. Has dropped. What is the support? I'd be looking for like what 1050 ish. 1050 ish. 1050 is $10. If we can test and consolidate at that level, right? So test and consolidate for CARV and U1. So there you go, right? And that was really my only concern there, though. For like Harvey again, it's not time yet for those plays to there's still a little bit of time, right? Still quite a bit of time for those plays for those things to work out, right? So we talked about this quite a bit as well last night, right? We're sitting at what 1056 here for Carvey. Yeah, we're dipping, right? Down 7%, right? Again, so we talked about this little head and shoulder here. I think we've deleted those lines there actually. So right. So if I like, there's another level at $10 here. So maybe $10. Come on, right? So is that Harvey? Something. Okay, never mind. Yeah, right. So only concern was this level right here. So this $12 level right here, right? That was the concern. Again, we filled at 12 in the past. We had a nice run up, and then you notice here that for the last few days or so, we struggled at $12, right? Struggle at $12. So that might be signaling a potential dip to support somewhere, right? So because now what are we at? Right now we're at, yeah, we're 1050. Yeah, 1050, right? So there you go. So that's yeah. See if we can consolidate at that level. See if we can consolidate at $10 wherever we can. Right, that's cool. They are lining up with each other. Yeah, they are. Right, so yeah. So we talked about this $12 level being an issue, right? If we can break above that level, and then okay, cool, boom, booms. If not, well, maybe we get a dip, right? So we talked about this last night as well, quite a bit in Discord. So yeah. There you go. Oh wow, 1036 for Carvey. Wow, yeah, 1036. Right, so we're dipping. It's down almost 9% now. Um, so there you go. Right, so not a surprise there for me. Um, this is the 14%. Wow, for that 14%. Wow, wow, wow. This one's already almost at support actually for U1. Yeah, U1 crash hard. Almost it's at support already here, right? So we talked about this, right? So we talked about this already. We drew those little lines in Discord last night, right? So we talked about how again. So take a look at this, right? So we go for these nice little runs like that, but then guess what? We have something like that, right? So to the 20, right? Run to the 20, right? We talked about this quite a bit already. Run again, right? Run back to the 20, right? To the 20 here. New run, right? To the 20. So that's what we're sitting at for now, right? To the 20. So this is happening over and over and over and over again. So this shouldn't be a surprise. So again, that's the dilemma, right? Where you have plays where you're hoping that they would perform based on, right? And then you take a look at the technicals and you're like, okay, cool. There might be another story here, right? So you just have to decide which one you are a good buy right now and trying to get in at this point. ATR, Roger, what do you think about ATR? So Roger, we'll take a look. Yeah, Roger brought up ATR last night in Discord as well in the meeting, the hangout, right? So there you go. Again, this is not a surprise for me for U1. It's not a bad thing, right? There shouldn't be a surprise though. Um, right. So again, we've done this over and over. This is right, push to the 20, push to the 20 to the red line, push to the 20, push again back to the 20, right? So see if we can now find a base above that 20-day moving average there. Yeah, see if we can find a way to hold above this level and then turn around. That would be good, right? So the S&P selling off doesn't help either, though, right? Like if you're expecting the market to sell off, well, right? Mm, well. So we'll see. Wow, U1 is almost being sent to the abyss here. That thing is dipping hard. Wow. Like it is really dipping them. Mm, la, la. Okay, cool. La, la. You just wanted that at 411.69. What's the 69 for? So the 411 is for your gains, and then the 69 is for your pleasure. Virus, unbelievable. Great thing about the bridge is that it opens 24/7. Yeah, of course. Let me take a look at ATR here. Mhm. Now, honestly, like ATR doesn't look like it's not at a bad spot, right? OPME, like these like this is like one of those other plays that like I'd be willing to take. Um, what do we at here? 25. Honestly, I feel like OPME for this. It's not thrusting, Scottish. No, it's not thrusting. They're dipping. So we just looked at that stuff. So just go back a minute or so on the video and then take a look at U1. Um, like this is a play OPME where like I don't mind taking and then setting a stop loss like at 289, right? You know, you're only losing like 10 cents, right, on this play here. But then you just want to have it like below one of these like daily bottoms, right, and then go from there. Some left over KFC. We're in the garbage. Oh, in the for you. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Right. So either you can do that and then set a stop loss at the low of this candle here, or you can just wait for it to actually turn around. Right. So OPM, you can wait for that thing to turn around and stop pushing for 320 here, and then send it. Right. You can wait for that momentum to turn around. So you're not like gambling a whole lot. Right. You wait for it to turn around, or you can just again buy and then set a side stop loss. Right. Because it does seem like it's bottoming out, but it's not really. The volume isn't coming in yet. Right. So for the upside. What are my thoughts on Starbucks? One seat. Okay, I'll take a look. Oh, you did, Peter? Okay. Let's go. Yeah, join Discord, Scotties. We talked about these plays quite a bit already. Right? So, yeah. As you guys know, again, I posted my stuff in for CARV, right? So, like, and it's the same thing. Again, like I moved my stop loss a lot higher. I posted that in the entries channel there, so I moved mine a lot higher just because like I'm willing to FOMO. Like I will FOMO, right? So I will FOMO back into CARV or U1, but like I am just when I see a warning sign, like it's hard for me to ignore. Like even though like I want to squeeze, it's really hard for me to ignore. Only if I'm welcomed by the community though. Of course you are, Scotties. Welcome. Come join us. Here's the link. So click on this link at the bottom of this message and become a member and join us in Discord. Did you miss it? What did you miss, Archie? Have we thrusted yet? No, we haven't, Archie. We haven't. Have we thrusted yet? You son of a U1. Now it's bouncing. You son of a U1. Yeah, people will buy the dips. Like people will buy the dips for these stonks. Peter. People will buy the dips here. What did it sell to? Wait. That thing was at $10. That thing was at $10 already. Wow. I didn't. I might have looked for a scalp there if I saw that. I did not see that. Wow. Wow. Nah. And what's Corby at here? Watch this, like watch this be like the sell off though. Like watch this thing sell off as much as it is now, and then overnight, watch the explosion. After hours, watch it explode, right? So yeah, we will see. See if we can test $10 and just consolidate around $10. Pablo, what are you thinking? Like, what are you thinking here for CARV or U1? I know you're not really concerned anyways, right? You're holding a position long anyway, so that's not a concern at all. But this play, you're not really concerned there, Pablo. So, nah, my it's typical Monday, 413. Yeah, it's trying to bottom out around 413, 412.80 ish. Virus. Leader of apartments, roaches. Chart support and resistance levels. Okay, I can take a look. Are you in a play already, leader? Are you in a position, or are you looking for an entry? What are you looking for Chris? CRIS. What are you looking for? Are you in a position? Are you looking for an entry? What are you looking for? I'll take a look at those levels for you. Uh, Candles came in on and didn't even blink. Yeah, yeah. Let me take a look at U1 again. U1 might be a nice with all the volatility coming in there. Oh, interesting. Oh, that's quite. That thing sold off to 980, 984. Wow. Talk about dips. You're in a position at $1.03. Okay, I'll take a look. Let me take a look here. So, Chris. See, in around $1. Uh, you bought that today, didn't you? You FOMO'd a little bit, leader. Right? You FOMO'd a little bit. It's been selling off. There's a gap here to fill somewhere. It's been selling off from what 240, so it's been selling off for a while, and it's finally trying to turn around here. So it doesn't look too bad. But you're really hoping that this thing again. So all you're looking for, honestly, on this thing here is that it can close above $1. Right? If this thing doesn't close above $1, it's possible that it could sell out to 84, 85 cents here again. Right? So 85 cents, yeah, right. So you're really hoping that this thing can find a way to close above $1 here today, because if it does, that's a really good sign. So I'd be watching that dollar closely, right, and then go from there. Just invested in solar company CNC. Check out the dividend. Yeah, Scott. Okay, the dividend yield. You're about to make some dividend monies. It's pumping. Knew it. DERC. Knew it. Of course it is. It's gone. It's gone. Yep. Gone. So if you got into this one, congratulations. See if we can push for $4 here now. Thank you for subscribing, leader. Thank you, welcome. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, guys, if you're new to the channel. And if you want some more information, come join us in Discord. Do you have any momentum names here this morning? Momentum scanner names? GOVX and Redbox? Okay, cool. So Redbox signaled this morning at 665. No, I looked at BTC earlier at 31.5. Yeah, I still don't trust that thing below $32,000. Honestly, Musty. Hugh, you're a criminal. Like you are like the number one criminal. Like like I don't know what to tell you. Like you are a criminal. Not halt on that candle. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Um, I don't know, Pablo. Yep. On in this candle, right? Like 340 to 390, and no halts at all. Like no halts here. That's crazy. Send is over $2, Lee. Okay. $2. So I think we still have it up here somewhere. No, we do not. We do not. Redbox is 711. MULN is trying. MULN is trying, guys. It's fighting the good fights, you know? It's trying its absolute bestest. And so is SPY. SPY is also turning around here, so that should be good for MULN, right? So SPY is turning around, going for 414 here. $50? $50, Scott? For $2 stock? Huh. Those like big dividends are always scary because I know there's a way that, like, you know, there's a catch. There's a catch somewhere, Scott. Jaybird said I didn't warn you. Can't say I didn't warn you. Oh no. MULN is up. MULN is up 2 cents. Jaybird. MULN is up 2 cents. You know what I mean? So it hasn't gone anywhere yet. You can say I didn't warn you at $2, and like, you know. Does MULN, does, I don't know, Doug, if you're aware, but does MULN have enough monies to not do a raise, to not do an offering? Have you looked into any of that stuff like that? Give it 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, sounds good. Jaybird, I know you've looked into the company as well. Do they have monies to not do a raise, do an offering? Spy's Star says, "Wow, Spy, thanks, good job." Yep, Spy's pushing, right? So, wow. June, can you check GOVX? Sure. What's your position? Give me some detail. Let me take a look at uone again here. Wow, 26%. What's going on with uone? Is there some news for uone here that we're missing, guys? Like, is there some type of news we're missing? Mm. Mm-hmm. Like, is there something we're missing here for uone? Because June 6th, Vada has certain news. Yeah. Importance of, again, having a stop loss, right? So, is there something going on here for uone that we're missing? Let me know if you see any news, because look at that. That's aggressive. I mean, that's aggressive. Virgo sold? Yeah, missing news. Virgo sold it. Yep. Like, what's going on there? Wow. I feel like scalping it. Let's see. Legal action to. Interesting. You want to use legal action to dash Richmond Casino? Oh, okay. Interesting. June, I'll take a look. Looks like to go to maybe to you're in at $1.98. If you can stay above $2, like if that thing can stay above $2, I think that's a really good time, right? So it's funny how we talked about that in Discord last night too. That if we can maybe find a way to, like, you know, was sitting CARV sitting at, I think it was what was his name? How asking, right? So wondering if he should be shorting one of these plays, right? So U1 might have been a, yeah. Let me take a look here. Wow, that thing is crashing. Wow. Is yeah, it is. It is. CARV is dragging that thing down. Mm. Interesting. I don't know. Even 10 cent scalps on Empress on Geo. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'll take a look at GOVX in a second. Yeah, no, Gino, I'll take a look. I'll take a look if you yeah, if that thing can just hold above $1 though, like $2, yeah, I think you should be okay. Wow, wow, wow. That thing's down 32%. It's very dependent on positive casino news. CARV, nothing to do with that. Yeah, I mean that thing is selling off hard. What's CARV at now? 990. Wow. I mean it's holding up a lot better here. But damn. Support and resistance. I mean there's news though, so that changes things. Right, when there's news, these levels become a different story here. So because we could easily sell off. I mean like uh, we the first time we looked at this stuff was around 560, right? So be careful. That's a sell off. That's quite the sell off there. See if this thing recovers at some point here today, but it's down 32%, so be careful. Right, no signs of life yet. How come did the news just drop as the market was open, or what happened? Because it just seems like it just randomly started happening. Interesting. Something is happening with Veru. It is Tony. I'll take a look. Got a little put. Okay. Washington, Auburn won Richmond casino litigation. Okay, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, that thing's been taken to. It's below $8 now, too, guys. Wow, it's below $8. If you had puts on this, that's the link for you one. Thank you, Pablo. Oh, yeah, hopefully people have a stop loss for that thing there, right? So you just never know what happens with these stocks. Hopefully people have a stop loss. Rock pull for spy, yeah, because that thing is not like it's not even like returning. It's just staying. It's just going and lower. Every one timed it out. Yeah. That's crazy. The state is making efforts to cut the Silver Spring company out of the project by moving it to Petersburg. Oh wow. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Oh yeah, it's like it's not even bouncing. Not at all. Like it's just crashing. Where can this thing sell up to? I mean to the abyss. Right, so be careful. It's trying to get back above $8. So see if we can get a bounce here, but yeah, be careful please. Puts on would have been nice. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like these guys did it on purpose. I feel like the timing is not a coincidence. I feel like these things have been struggling. They've been sitting on resistance, and yeah, I don't know if I feel surprised though, because yeah, see if we get some bounces going. Anyways, and what's Redbox doing? Not a whole lot there either. MULN is still sitting at the same price there. It's been 5 minutes. Whoever said 5 minutes, wait for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. What's happening? Not a thing. Anybody buying the U1 dip for Juneteenth? Anybody buying the dip? Anybody? Down in sympathy, but there is no connection other than Juneteenth. Yeah, there's not. Right. So Carvey would be it's Carvey still holding that 990 level. Yeah, that thing is holding around $10 really nicely here. Right. So it's holding around 10 really nicely. So see if we can stay above that level. You missed a bounce. If that's a bounce, if it's not gonna crash even lower, right? And the coffee's holding up around $10, $10. Interesting. Hopefully Virgo is in. Hopefully she's okay, and she's setting a stop loss on this. I will as soon as I show signs of life. Oh, you're gonna buy back end diamond? Okay. As soon as it shows signs of life, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what it does. Right. See if we get new lows. See if this thing actually starts bouncing. Right, because that's a lot. Right, it's down 35%. Right, so that's a lot, and it's still selling off. Now it's down 38% now. Right, so I mean this thing is crashing. Right, so be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Right, so I would be a little bit patient here with these names. Unless you're slowly scaling in, just be a little bit careful. Right, 38%. Wow. Talk about Spy needs to do the Spy needs to do the U1 diamond. Every bear is jumping on this like on with puts. Oh, wait, onto U1. Yeah, I bet you a lot of people are just shorting this now, right? So, oh wow wow wow, 40% and counting. Like they're just going. Like, that thing is just crashing. Wow, too bad. You know, Tesh, I would be since this is still selling off and it's a sympathy play, I would almost let this thing settle first. Then you can scale into CARV if you wanted to, right? But I would almost let these things settle first before you make a decision, right? So I just like looking at CARV as well to see if it's like if it's aggressively selling off. It's dipping now too, right? It's down 14%. That last dip took it down as well, right? So you never know. Again, if U1 keeps selling off, wow, look at that, 950 now for CARV, right? So 950 there. So you know, like U1 really isn't helping me at all, right? So look at that, and more dips and more dips and more dips. There you go. Thank God for stop losses. Yeah, like you just again, that's the way you manage these plays, right? So stop loss and move it higher, especially when you're in profits. You don't want to end up losing all those profits anyway. So again, stop loss and then move it higher as the day goes on, right? So stop loss and higher, and then just keep doing that, just in case something like this happens, right? So hopefully we can bounce here though. So Carvey and you want so Carvey can follow back higher. So come on, give us a pump. When pump? When that cat bounce? Shorts need to cover. They didn't cover for months now, and they don't have to cause it's still game musty. Oh yeah, I don't believe that. Um, just because like we've been through this roller coaster over and over and over, you know. Um, yeah, timing. Time sometimes time beats timing. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I know what you're trying to say, musty. M sense. Anyway, so Spy is still holding above that 20-day virus. Holding above the 20. Still green for the day. So Sen is doing it. Stock spray. Hey yo, good morning. Take a look at so Redbox is still not doing a whole lot there. So Sen is good, doing holding above $2 now. Yeah, it is. It is. I like that. Yeah, if we can do that and come back and test that $2 level there, stock with killer, and then hold above it, that's a good sign. So if we can do something like this, right? You see how we struggled at $2 initially, right? If we can actually do that now, we break above, right? Like break above there, come back and test and hold this level and do that. That's a really good sign, right? So that's what you're hoping for. Test $2, hold $2, consolidate above $2, and then pump from there, right? So yeah, that's good. You got in at 788. Yeah, congratulations. Anybody else buying the? Oh, what did I just do there? Escape. That's not what I want. Okay, perfect. Anybody else buying the dip here for you one? Anybody else? Oh yeah, M sense. I'll take a look at your Starbucks question in a bit here. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. After 1 month, hoping MULN goes to the moon. Spray. Oh, I hope it does too. I hope it does too. So we'll see. Looking good. I can go on the 41214. Exactly why you don't trust it? Yeah, exactly. Honesty virus. Exactly. Either direction, there's lack of trust. So we'll see what happens. We shall see. Redbox is trying. Come on, Redbox, give us a bump today, please. We need a bump. Damn. We need something. Redbox. Is that? Oh, U1? U1 is back above $8. So you got in at 788, 788. Okay, cool. Nice M cents. Hopefully this thing can push back to $9 for you there, right? Hopefully you can turn around and pump it. It's pushing for $4 at Zoo. Yeah. AERC. No, this one's honestly done really well. Like really, really well. Right? So it's 5 cents away from $4 here now. It's done really well. I think Hugh's scalping this one really nicely. He's rubbing his hands behind the scenes, like, oh yeah, monies, monies. No one wants to pump one. Many stocks running before better than new one. Rob, what do you mean? No one wants to pump one. There are many stocks running better than U1. Oh no, U1 is not even pumping, right? So we're just looking at U1 because of it's dipping hard, down 40%, right? So that's what we're looking. It's not really pumping, right? So you actually wanted it lower? Okay, you believe that? Wow, 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 wow. Designs destined for double digits. What a with a decimal point in front of it. Double digits with a decimal point. Anyways, U1 is failing at the 9-day moving average here. So M cents done. Later, you're done for the day, Robert, already? Wow. Yeah, let's see who we are. It's lunchtime. Yeah. No, U1 is going to need to break above that 9-day moving average if it wants to go here, right? It's going to need to clear that level. No, hopefully that reminds you, like, the importance of a stop loss, because the state is making efforts. Okay, cool. Thank you, Pablo. The state is making efforts to cut the Silver Spring company out of the project by moving it to P. Yeah. Interesting. Maybe that might be that might become Pablo. That might become something where, like, people, the reason for these things running Juneteenth, right? So that might make it become like like a very nice Juneteenth pump. You know what I mean? Right? People might feel like, oh wow, they're being blackballed. Okay, cool. How about we send it? Spies dipping them virus. 413 below. So I know there's a level that we bounced off last time here. Yeah. 412 80. 412 80s. Anyway, so spy. Yep. Everything is just going to the abyss now. Picking up a shovel, it is. Yeah, what's CARV at? CARV. Oh, it's 860 now. Wow. 24%. Wow. Not what I expected this morning from these stocks. But wow. It's picking up a shovel. Spy, of course, isn't helping either with the sell-offs. We just turned the corner. Like, we were doing so good, and then the market just became like so violent. Um, it's like something happened. I don't know what happened, but everything decided to crash. Yep. Don't play with my feelings. Just go. Just sell off. Imagine keep selling. You want in. Yeah, of course. Oh no, I'll watch it closely. Here for potential Juneteenth play. Right. Same thing with CARV. Right. So let them. Oh wow. I mean, these things are crashing. Like, U1 is crashing hard. 745, $7 almost. I see that bid pushing for like $7 there. So wow, that's aggressive. U1 and chose violence. Yeah, these things are. Look at SPY. So SPY has that support at 412 there, right? So, and it's not holding either. Um, yep. Musty, you in it now? Don't play with it. You're in? You in it out? You're in Musty? Okay. Might be time to buy in. They do have a burn proposal. Joey, by who? Like on Terra Station? Or where? And sounds like you want it. Yeah, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course. I wanted to. Yeah, these could give us some nice, some nice opportunities, some nice opportunities to buy some stuff. Anyways, AERC looks really good though. That's the only one of the only stocks performing here. Everything else is selling off. Do they have a burn proposal with Casa? Do they have a you want in? Oh, I see what you're saying. You want in? Oh yeah. It's a weird joke. Yeah, I see it now. I see it. I see it. Um, you want in? You won 3568. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Joey. Opportunity. Yeah. We'll see what that thing does for the rest of the day. Wow. He is a criminal. Says you want in. Any more news here? Twitter says to close the transaction with Elon and enforce the merger agreement at the agreed price and terms. Okay, cool. Interesting. Twitter says come share information with Elon Musk with the terms of merger agreement. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, that thing's pumping. AERC is just going, just absolutely crushing it. So if you're in there, congratulations. So SPY's bouncing off that level, but yeah, this thing's looking really good. AERC here, about $4 there, Pablo. Today is naked up apparently. Did you sell the other one, SVRE, Peter? Did you sell that, or you just kept holding it for now? Did you get rid of it? Oh yeah, he was very happy. He's very happy with this. It's going. Not a ton of air at the bottom of a ocean. Better get back to the surface. Yep. Where's that thing at? Did that thing sell off to $7 below $7? No, not yet. 40%. Can you believe that? 40%. Wow. Anyways, yeah, that looks good there. Here. TKWY, and tell me if my puts are going to pay. If your puts are going to pay. No, you're going to the abyss. So TKWY. So you have puts on display, and it's up 12%. Are you green because of that sellout? Are you green already? Are your puts gonna pay for this, boy? Unless we get below, like I don't know, Musty. I have 7 puts, 2150. Oh, 2150 strike. Okay, cool. 2150. Why does that thing? Why does this seem so slow for some reason, Musty? No, I feel like as long average is $1.30. I feel like as long as we don't break below, like if we don't break below, Musty, if we don't break below this, if we don't break above 22 again, I think your puts should be fine. It just looks like a stock that sold off for so long already, from like $34 and then double bottomed, right, at 17 whatever, right, and now it's trying to go. It's holding that 20-day moving average as well. So this thing could just keep going. It's closed. Okay, that's why. Okay, another European stock. Okay, never mind. Anyways, yeah. I wonder if this thing moves to SPY, because if it does and SPY is selling off like this, and then okay, cool. Look at the. Yeah. Wow. It's I mean it's been selling off for a long time, right? So wow, I think it's been crashing for a long time here. You're gonna need it to not find a bottom here, Musty, because hmm, but um, zoom out, yeah. I mean, look, wow. How come we didn't buy puts at $100? How come? From $100? Yeah. And you're buying puts at like $20? What if this thing decides to bump to 30? Anyways, no, if it can stay above $22, I think it should be fine. Right? Maybe it's gonna gap down tomorrow with the S&P, so that's perfect. Back to Redbox. Redbox still holding $7. Wow, actually not doing too bad. Redbox, it's holding really nicely there. And what's U1 doing? U1 is at 750. Okay. No, 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 no. Wow, wow, wow. What this thing just looks like it's about to crash more here. U1. That's what it just looks like to me. AMC Abyss, EMC Abyss. Nice to meet you, bro. Yeah, EMC is just a different story. I mean, like Spy, of course, isn't really helping anything today, right? Look at Spy go. Look at Spy go, right? So Spy's broken below support here. What a day! Like we're about to go from green to red. Like we're about to go from like be celebrating 416 to red. So it seems like satisfy my wishes. Okay. It just seems like 416 is just a level to short Spy for now. Interesting. Can you get naked without commenting? So much like the rest of us. I know. And what's and first? Which we red box. It's amazing how well AERC is holding above that $4 level there. It's holding up really nicely. What no, what it has taken. Check out. We've been looking. Yeah, Trevor. Yeah. ARC, yeah. So Pablo mentioned this a few hours ago, and we've been watching this for a little bit, right? So it's on the other screen here, and it's had a nice run. So again, it was all the way down here this morning, right? So whatever level that was, right, and it's been pumping. It's been pumping. There you go. It's done really well. Find a nice little base at $4, right? Likely called Dr. Spy always tends to ruin my day. Honestly, it just seems like a common theme now, doesn't it, Doug? It seems like a common theme now for Spy. Ruin our day. Spy, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Was below 350. At this point, you could be asking for trouble. Exactly. There you go. Right. So you really could be asking for trouble here. So be careful, please. Be careful. Be careful. Entry. Honestly, let me take a look at CARV again here. So I would like CARV with all this. Well, with all that's going on, I feel like I like CARV a little bit better now. This is another pump that will. This is another pump that will go the route of U1. What do you mean, Scott? Like, what do you mean? Right. So they do seem to be settling here a little bit now, break. So that's a good thing, right? So you can almost like scale it if you are buying because of Juneteenth, right? You could scale in here if you wanted to, right? Or you could wait for that. You could wait for it to actually turn around. Because for now, don't see any signs of strength yet, right? So you can wait for it to turn around, or if you believe in the pump for June, right? Then you can start. You can scale in slowly. That'd be my they're barely even bouncing. Like there's really no bounces here at all, right? So I mean, wow, look at that. From what, almost $13 today? $13, guys. Wow. And then just abyss, like absolute destruction. Yeah. They do seem to be settling, but I don't see any signs of strength yet, right? So that's what you're waiting for, right? Because look, I mean, look at this now. It's and there goes another crash, right? To $7, right? So, yep, and it's about to break below $7. Wow, it's down 43%. 43%. Can you believe that? 43%. And the volume is just like people are just panic selling it, right? I don't even want to like imagine the Pablo. Are you still here? Don't want to imagine like the madness that's going on like stock tweets for stock like this. Can you imagine? 69. But greed set in. 41169. Oh, virus. Oh yeah. That's what you wanted. Very nice. Crazy stonks. Crazy stonks. Come on, work. Oi. There you go. Strong general. What's that? uone? Oh, wow, uone is at 690, guys. I mean, this thing is not slowing down. Like this thing will not stop crashing. Oh my lord! Wow. That thing has no chill. That thing is just looking for the basement. Anyways, red box is still stuck there. Is CARV selling off with this as well? Back to $8 for CARV? Not quite yet. No, CARV is holding up a lot better than uone, which is good, right? Just sympathy dumps here. You're loading up on some crypto plays, Mr. JC, Bitfarm and Huts Eat Mining. Okay. Huts. Yeah, did you have a stop loss at all, Christo? So there was some bad news for uone, right? So that has nothing to do with CARV, but it's a sympathy play, right? So they're losing out. So it's posted in Discord in the Stock General channel there. Pablo posted that in Discord, but they're losing out on the casino thing, right? So on the casino there for uone, so uone is down 40-something%, 45%, and CARV is down 25 as a sympathy play, right? So I went for a walk and came back to this. Should have walked to the bridge, honestly, Crystal. Yep. Like just a random, like, again, like just random drop, and then wow, Spy John, you leave for an hour, and Spy says, "Hey John." Yep. Damn, I should have taken those puts. Yeah. Wow. 44%, Crystal. Wow. I went for a walk, came back to disaster. Yep. No, the market just chose violence. Just goes to show, yeah, step your stop loss, exactly, Christoph. You have to, especially when you start making money. It's like you just have to, because you never know what happens, right? You just never know. You have to use those stop losses, honestly. Otherwise otherwise it can be trouble, right? So leave for an hour. Come back. Yep, disaster. What a day, what a morning. So peacefully. So peacefully. Started so peacefully, and then here we are. me see. CARV and uone. Wow. Hopefully this doesn't ruin. Don't think it will. I think if anything, you're having like the shorts piling now into these plays, and it might set up for a nice squeeze in June or July. That would be nice. But again, regardless, that doesn't change anything. Right? I still have a stop loss. Right? Stop loss is clean. Thank you. Entry. Entry here. USMC double dog. I mean, like the only thing I would be doing here is honestly scaling in, right? So I'd be scaling it slowly. If you're buying for potential recovery, because in terms of support, like there's no support here, right? There's nothing here. I'm not sure if this news, if people continue selling after hours or tomorrow, right? I'm not sure if this is the bottom here. You just never know. So, but if you're buying for longer, like Juneteenth, and then okay, cool, scale in, right? Again, not financial advice. You have to make sure you have a plan. Thrust all the way to the bridge. Yeah, honestly, Doug. At this point, yeah. What's CARV at? CARV is at 832, 840ish. Okay, cool. Wow. We were looking for $11, $12 this morning, not $8. We were looking for $12 this morning, and here we are, $8. Wow, it's like putting your hands into a pit right now. Yeah, like it's not sure about uone here. Not sure. So look at this, right? I mean, look at that now. We're almost back to the lows of the day here for uone, right? So, like, honestly, not sure what's gonna happen here. So you want to be very careful because the way this thing's bumping and dumping, that's really scary, right? Pretty scary. So be careful. 44% is down. 44%. Like, is this the only hope? Like a casino? That Pablo? Like, that's the only hope, or is there anything else to this? Like that's it. They don't have any other projects they're working on. Because I mean, this thing's being destroyed. Stocks are gonna make a triple top, double bottom, and ahead, a bidder exactly, right? So you never know. You never know. Question for you guys in the chat. I know I keep asking, but yes or no in the chat. Anybody buying uone right now? Yes or no? Just give me a yes or no. All right. Anybody buying uone? Because I know some of you guys have been holding for a while already, and your stop loss might have triggered all the way at like $10, $11, right? Which would be good, hopefully. But right. So, anybody buying right now? Because I know my stop loss for what? For CARV triggered at 10.99, right? 10.99, and we're at 8 whatever now. So yes, MSN says yes. Brick says nope. Yes. Shaftman says nope. Greg says nope. Nope. Hugh says nope. Nope. Not touching it. There you go. Right. So yeah, we'll see what happens with this stock. So just be a little bit patient. Is Savage resistance 199? Yeah, that thing needs to actually hold above at $2 and just consolidate. I'm waiting for it to get stable and above. Perfect, right? So yeah, I'd wait for that too. But this is the floor star. I don't know either, right? So I don't know. Aaron says no, guys. No. I want more in the fives. Okay. Yeah, when we started looking at D1 was around like $6, right? $5.50, $6. So can we return back to those levels? Maybe. Yeah, what's like funny though is like these guys actually had good earnings, right? They had really good earnings. They beat earnings, and that's what started the run up, right? That hype. So good earnings. So they're not exactly like completely useless, I guess. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. Empress, you buying it? Empress says yes, I'm buying it. You got in at $8, Captain Carson. Okay, $8. Okay. Yeah, see if we can push back to $8 here. $8. Interesting. Last article on TradingView. Yeah. Almost like the new is coming, Musty. When was that? Made with me for me. Wow. Yeah. Terry Jones, director, on May the 25th, sold 130,000 shares of uone for $800,000. Filing controlled. Okay, cool. Directly, the market valued. Nah, 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 nah. Terry Jones said, "Hey yo, give my buddies back. Don't know. Nah, nah. Yeah. Spy is not done. No, Spy doesn't look done. Spy is failing at that previous support now, which is always a warning sign. Spy is failing at 412, um, so it doesn't look like it's done. To sell for price and then dump it afterwards. Yeah. Terry Jones says, "Hey guys, bye bye." Sounds like a criminal. Yeah, we'll see what happens with this whole thing, guys. See if we can pump up back into $8, back to $9, back to $10, right? And then go from there. Wow, 44% dip. Oi. AERC is still holding $4 really nicely there, Hugh, so that's perfect. I don't know what it is or the company itself. You have to know exactly. No, we played with that stuff that must be just for Juneteenth, not exactly because like company specifics, right? So yeah, uone is volatile as the CARV is just sitting there just at 840 now. Just sitting flat. Earnings these days is equal to sell-offs, regardless of outcomes. Exactly, better, right? So when we go into earnings, we almost like want to look at what they've been doing before earnings, right? Are you running to earnings? Okay, cool, short it, right? Because even if they do beats, it does not matter, right? So we've seen a lot of companies beat and still sell off. Not even always because of like unless it's amazing earnings, right? Unless it's amazing, right? So people usually price in those things before we get there, anyways. Earnings. Earnings gambles. Decent gains. Now I hope to find entries again. Maybe I should just let them go. Thoughts? Honestly, Hugh, I'm in the same boat. I'm in the same boat where I'm thinking, like, okay, cool. Like these are some nice sell-offs, right? Do we look to scale it again, right? And I'm leaning towards yes, right? Because I think it could still happen, right? So I think we could have a whole bunch of shorts piling in now, or like people just taking profits, or stop loss triggering, and then this is when it actually does go up, right? So, hmm, it's the dilemma, right? So I'm thinking yes though, right? So I mean, like U1 is setting it now for some boom booms, right? So look at that. So see if we can get back above $8 here for U1, right? See if we can get some boom booms going here. That's quite the sell off. Like this too might actually break up like the S&P and some of these plays too here, which would be nice. I just don't trust these initial pumps yet because this might be just don't trust them yet. Send it. Send it to the abyss. Yeah, no, uone is slowly pushing there for 770. So either I think can get back above $8 and then keep going. That's what time is it? I'm sure at some point we're gonna hop off and hang out in Discord, guys. At some point we're just gonna hang out in Discord because really isn't a whole lot of US has organized a flight to transport 110,000 pounds of Nestle, the infant formula from Germany to Texas on June the 9th. Cool. Let's see. Can you check DD? I'm upside down and looks like it's trying to send me to the bridge. I have a stop loss in, but I don't think you could wait. Okay. Yeah, stock with they did. They did. DD sending it to the bridge. Yeah. These Chinese names, right? Honestly, D, as long as we don't break below like 247 here, I think you're fine. If we 246, right? So if we break below that level, I'd be very careful. I almost would get rid of it. Well, it's hard to, right? So, but if we're breaking below the lows again of the day again here at the $40 at 246, I'd be very careful. I'd be very careful. So be very cautious. yuan is at 770 here, so see if we can push for $8. Biden is going to give an interview on Jimmy Kimmel today. Biden is on Jimmy Kimmel. Why? Like, why? Isn't that like a comedy show? Jimmy Kimmel. So, what is he doing on there? Doesn't he have better things to do? 46? Okay, nice. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Stop loss below support. You know, if I was like, isn't there something better to do than than fixed gas? Like, fixed gas prices maybe. Find a solution. I don't know what he's doing on there, but he's human too, though, and a celebrity to a certain degree. So I guess he wants to enjoy that. Just stay in his office, please. Yeah, stay in your office. I guess it's pretty yeah. Oh no. No, at least it's when the market is closed down. The market should be closed in and it should be a non-reaction unless he messes up and says something. Right? Unless he messes up, we should be fine tomorrow. Unless he does the oopsies. Yeah, comedy show. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right, Dan? Maybe he just wants to go on there for a laugh and stuff like that, and that's fine, right? So that's fine. Hopefully they just have fun, though, right? Hopefully they just have fun and nothing serious. Just enjoy it. Don't say, in 21 years, I have done this and this and this and this and this and this and this, right? So no one else has done this before. It's Wednesday? Okay, Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday. Wednesday and Fridays took the L today. Yeah, you did? Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Sometimes you just have to, honestly, because this isn't it, right? For a good day, then it was someone else. And then Dan, honestly, like we look good. It's been around since this Stone Age. Now you know how he always says like, this hasn't been done in the market, this hasn't been done in the economy for 21 years, in history or this, right? So that's what I'm going for, dog. Today's a money less day, unless you're just scalping, quick profits, right? Money less day. No, that's the queen. Oh, the Queen of England. Been around since inception. How does England have a queen and then have the prime minister as well? That who runs the country then? Always hear the stuff about the prime minister, the prime minister, the prime minister, and then the queen. I guess it runs how Canada runs as well, run by the prime minister, but then the queen is Dan. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, Roger. Yeah, just like the Netherlands as well. Wow. Okay, cool. Magna Carta. Symbolic vote. Yeah. Aggressive dips. About no, hopefully, honestly, hopefully, there's no I don't know. There's gonna be an element of politics, of course, but hopefully, it's like light-hearted politics, for these guys. As uone is sending it there now, right? So hopefully, just light-hearted stuff, for so they can all have fun and people can laugh, right? So hopefully, it's not like la 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 la, because yeah, I can't do that. Yeah, Empress, congratulations. Let's go. Good job. Interesting. They have power, but they just let us believe there's democracy. Yeah, they do it behind the office, behind the door. They're like, excuse me. Yeah, do this. These are your options. These are your only options. Okay, now ask the people to vote. Bad bridge into a CPI. Yeah, Roger. Making moves. Okay. Ooh, yuan is almost back to $8 here, right? See if we can actually get above $8 this time here. Because they lost a casino. Let's just say that they lost a casino, Danielle. Yeah. So Pablo posted that link somewhere in this in the chat here, and then also in Discord, right? So also in Discord. Interesting. Studio, okay. Yuan, the state is making efforts to cut the Silver Spring Company out of a project by moving it to Petersburg. Moving the casino to Petersburg. Very sad. It's starting to turn. Yeah. Again, so my suggestion, just set a stop loss at that bottom, at the low, the previous low, right? So previous low today. If it doesn't break below, then just keep holding it, right? But if it does break below, get rid of it and then say, oh well, whatever happens, happens, right? So interesting. Danielle, no, I had CARV, but with a stop loss though. My stop loss triggered. My stop loss triggered before that news came in. Almost like someone new. Importance of a stop loss, guys. Importance of a stop loss, because you never know. Yeah. Importance of a stop loss. Yeah, let's see if these things cannot turn around, Danielle, and pump it. Red to green, come on. Minus 40% to plus 10%. How about that? Anybody down for that? CARV minus 27% to plus 5%. Come on, let's send it. CARV, you won. Let's go. At 850. You got in at 850. Okay. Hugh. Okay, 850. 850s. Hey, there you go. CARV's CARV's officially. I don't know if it's something to celebrate though. Officially above. CARV's now worth more than uone, right? So uone is at $8, CARV's at 850. So there you go. There you go. Were you talking about it at 12 to 13? Yeah, we started talking, Daniel. We started talking about these things around $6, and then they ran to 12 and 13. So that should give you enough room to set a stop loss, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So 13, set a stop loss, whether that's 11, 12, somewhere. If it does dip to $8, like $7, like it did today, well, oh well, you locked in your monies, right? So and you're good to go. This market, I can't believe these criminals are allowed to do this. What they do, honestly, musty. These places getting clapped, yeah. Those places, yeah. Roger, yeah. It's very sad, musty, but it's part of the game, right? So it's part of the game. We just have to honestly adapt because it's been going on forever, and I think it's gonna continue happening, right? No one's gonna change anything for the market, right? So you just have to find a way around it, right? You just have to collect your monies like a criminal and run. Um, I feel like that's what we do so well sometimes because we lock in profits, right? We don't become diamond hands, we lock in profits and then move on, right? So, Amazon, they just did. Amazon did? Nice. Amazon. Amazon update. It's not done anymore. Yeah. So nice. So it's no longer showing $2,000 for Amazon. That's good. The price was always good. Let's go, Brad. Collect and run, Brad. Collect and run. Right? In this market where like there's a lot of uncertainty and we're getting bad news after bad news, collect and run. Otherwise, troubles. So you just bought uone at 789. Okay, Scott. Okay. 7 at you at 789. uone. Come on, give us pump. When pump? AMC's AMC. What the mug? Interesting. Let's see here. Pretty slow market today. Very slow. So slow. Spy's trying to go for that 412 level again, which we failed at last time, but it looks like it's breaking above this time here, which is good. At least, right? Which is good. No. Amazon is cheaper than Apple. Can you believe that? Amazon is cheaper than Apple. Wow. Well, not in a sense, yeah, but like yeah, we don't understand what that means, but Musty does. I think Musty's a criminal, absolute criminal. Smash a like, yeah, guys. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new. Trying to get to $7. It's irritating, Dan. I know. It really is. Most of these things are. So smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of this message here and then become a member. So we're going to hop off soon and hang out in Discord anyway. So if you have any last questions, guys, let me know. If you have any last questions, let me know in the chat. I took my spy calls at 410. Nice. 32, but I feel 57 in this market. Honestly, musty. Like this market will. BBIG is doing the pump up and down. Yeah, I just don't trust BBIG anymore. BBIG is so BBIG usually for the most part, Brad. So we've talked about BBIG. Um, Right. So for the most part, like BBIG is not a bad buy around $2, right? So around $2, especially with the market selling up today, like from $2 to 220, BBIG is not a bad buy. So if you take a look at the daily there, Brian, you notice that for the last like year and a half, BBIG every time we get to this $2 level, right, $2, 220, we're bouncing over and over and over and over. You know what? Let me pull that up, right? So BBIG is going for a nice little stroll here. So while the market is red, it's holding up, right? So that's not too bad. So BBIG here though, BBIG. Right? So you notice here, like you go back to like back in time here. Every time in the past, it's bouncing in and around that level. My concern though, like now it's different. Like it's completely different now, right? Before people had something to look forward to. Now what are they looking forward to? I know that the dividend is still coming, but it's just so frustrating though, right? So at some point this thing is gonna have a 20% day because they're gonna drop their catalyst, but when, right? So if they don't say anything else positive, this thing is going to the abyss, right? So let me take a look at Starbucks Xbox. I got a free share for Weibo. Should I hold it or trade it for Starbucks? uh a little bit of resistance here at $82. I feel like I would trade it. I not trade it. I would hold it M-Cents. Right? It's free anyways, right? So Starbucks is reopening in China. It seems like that's the last news they gave us, right? So yeah, unless if we break below 88, 87 here, you might need to sell it. But 87 support, 82 resistance there. Not 80, 77 support, right? 77, 82. 77 support, resistance 82. Not bad. SPFM, Fabian, okay. And we had what on here? We had nope, dipping again. Wow, look at that candle. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this candle on uone here. Wow, talk about a dip. Talk about a dip. Wow, unbelievable. Wow, damn. 415, back to 415. Yeah, it's trying. All right, so Spy's trying. La, la, la. If it's free, just hold. Yeah, exactly, Busty. Yeah, we're riding the roller coaster long enough to build a tolerance. Yeah, that's a dive. That's not a dip. That's a dive. Yep. I mean, that thing is wow, wow, wow. Doug. Little surprises me and upsets me. Oh yeah, no, exactly. In this market, and I feel like that's not exactly a good thing for me to sometimes Hugh, because I don't know. Mhm. What's the Discord someone posted? Yeah, so you have to become a member. So become a member and then squad. So we're gonna hop up and hang out in Discord in like 2 minutes here, guys. So again, if you're not a member, become a member and join us in Discord. So here's the link showing up in the chat right now. So we'll give you like 2 minutes or something like that. So again, click the link that's showing up in the chat now. It's gonna be from Nightbot. So this link right there. Let's go. Right. So let's go virus. So click the link at the bottom of this message here. And then become a member. Make sure you sign up for Discord for the Discord level or higher, right? So and then yeah, and then let us know, and then we can then I'll send you that invite link. So if you do sign up after the stream is over, right, just send an email to the email at the top of your screen here, and I'll send you an invite. hotratesx@gmail. Star, how those puts? Let's go, Star. Come on, come on. How those puts looking? Yeah, we can see if we can get some plays in Discord, right? So see if we can make some monies. Not even open. Damn, daycare is not even open yet. You know what? Daycare is it's fast lunchtime. Damn man. Daycare's not even open yet. um, Daycare's open, Diamond. I promise. Come on, take the kids or get on the bus. Get on the bus. You took profits at 100%. Okay, very nice. Ooh, look at you one go. Yeah, see if I think you can get back above $9, above $8 here, right? Come on, you one. Pump it. Red to green. Red to green. You open up a long for you one. There you go, star. Yeah. There you go. So I know a lot of you guys are buying the dips here in anticipation for Juneteenth, right? So this might have been a blessing. You know, like you have your stop loss really tight all the way up there, and then you can buy back at the same price that you sold at, right? So that's I mean, it's a $7. When was the last time you one saw $7, right? So from $13. So hopefully, we'll see. You can't even get back above $8 here, anyways, right? So it needs to clear $8 here. Needs to clear $8. If we're gonna get any type of like upward momentum here, $8 needs to go because it's double topping at $8. Double topping. So Scott, are you signing up for Discord or should we wait for you? Are you signing up for Discord? Let me know, yes or no. Done for the day, Nasreen. That one's always hard to tell, isn't it? Red box. If it if it's below $7, and then yeah, most likely. Lights, you're joining us late. We're about to hop off. Um, yeah, if it's below $7, then it might be Nasreen. So it just might be. Oh, here comes $8. You can do this. You can do this. That's okay, Light. That's okay. We can hang out. Are you in Discord, Lights? I don't think you are, right? So yeah, you can hang out in Discord, and we can talk about boo boo. I know. It just never looked like it was about to pump, right? Like we mentioned this a few times today. Like Redbox just never gave us that pump vibes. You can tell when these things are about to go, right? Go to the Suns, Captain. For you one, go to the Sun. Oh, you guys all are cheering on you one now. You won. Come on, let's go. 420. Okay, 420 at night to the sun at night. With a handful of crackers waiting for the door for them to open. I'm sorry, Diamond. Let's go. Let's Scott, guys. So any time that anytime we hop off early. So the analogy that Diamond is using is when we hop off early. Diamond is saying I'm dropping you guys off at daycare. So that's it. So whenever you see like Diamond mention daycare, that's what he means, right? Saying dropping you guys off at daycare, and so he's sitting at the steps with a handful of crackers waiting for the door to open because we're leaving early. So anyways, Scott, welcome. I think you signed up for Discord, hopefully. So send an email, Scott. Email at the top of your screen here, HotRateX. Welcome to Discord, right? So hotratex@gmail.com, and I'll send you an invite. So I'll get that invite ready right now. So yeah, invite. So yeah, let me know when you send that email, Scott, and I'll send you an invite there. Let me know when you do. He's waiting for daycare to open. So U1 is back above $8 here. Come on. Can we get $10 today for U1? $10, anybody? $10. Nope, not yet, right? So sitting at the doors of daycare, waiting for the doors to open. Yeah, so yeah, Scott, let me know when you do. What did MSense do? Let's go, new members. MSense, what did you do? You became you joined the naked membership. Naked membership. Let's go, MSense. What did you do, MSense? You naked brands or naked HG? Naked HG. Naked brands. Na, 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 na. 411. John, 411. More of a. I don't know if I see it yet, right? More of a. I would see more closer to like an inverse head and shoulder there, Doug. John, right? Don't see the W yet. Don't see it yet. I'm saying it's a hot trader now. Come on. They talk me into joining the top tier. Let's go. Yeah, thank you for upgrading your membership. MSense, really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, let's go. I sold my for you. Let's go, MSense. I sold my sundown for you. Let's go. That's amazing. Sundown. Go to the 5 minute. Okay, perfect. Thank you. On the 5. 5 minutes. At 411. If we can sell off, right? So if we can sell off like a little bit more, John, yeah. I personally do like the 5 minute chart for SPY because it's quite clear, right? So you can tell when we're consolidating on the downside, you can tell when we pump and consolidating to the upside, right? Dump, and then fill at the 9 and then more dipping, right? So it might look a little bit better this time. If we stay above 412 here, this might be nice. John. Let's go, MSense. Thank you very much. Thank you. Will you wait to add Amazon or start nibbling? I would start nibbling, especially if you're holding longer term. Like I would start nibbling, nibbling. Still, no, when you deviate from plan or you lose, like you go D. Oh yeah, no, that happens every time. Every time you deviate, yeah, the market will remind you, humble you. I used 8 minute recently. It's a fib number or the 8 minute. Okay, the 8. Kind of early for MULN to start the daily coding. I wonder if Scott sent me an email here to join Discord. Hope he did, Scott. Prime videos, pre-rolls. Enough money. Good. Good to see you. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so Scott said, let me know when you send that email because I don't see anything yet. Waiting for you before we hop off the street. You up 110 oi, and lost money? Yeah. No, that's always really annoying, honestly. Wait pump for BBIG. What's BBIG doing? BBIG. 215. Wow, BBIG is actually moving up. Like, the market struggles, BBIG goes up. Like, what's going on here? BBIG, what's up? What's going on with BBIG? What did we test? $2? Wow. No, like BBIG is going up there, Raymond. Right? It's just highs of the day for BBIG. What's going on? BBIG says, "Oh, you guys all losing money today? Okay, cool. How about to trust the process? Yeah, exactly. The number and Willie, hey Willie, hey Good morning, Willie. Good to see you. You're late. I'm just kidding. But you're late. I'm ready for the rally. We're hopping off soon and hanging out. And hanging out in Discord, Willie. In a few minutes here. Where's Scott, guys? Is Scott delayed or something? BBIG news. BBIG. Wow, BBIG is actually selling it there. 219. Look at BBIG go. Let me get a link here, guys, to the news. BBIG has some news. BBIG news. So BBIG is gone and done. Figures a lot. So BBIG to buy MULN. Figures I saw BBIG to buy MULN. Yeah. When did this come out though? This came out. I want a date and time here. So that's old news though. That's June the 4th. Best TikTok alternative to create short videos. BBIG is number 1.2 or whatever numbers they're giving it here, right? So best alternatives would be for creating short term. Okay, cool. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, the motive. Wow, all the way up there. So that's basically BBIG there. I don't want to get puts. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, right. This came out like on the 4th, which was interesting. But yeah, BBIG does look good there. Wow, look at that. Look at these candles for BBIG. Wow. Oh, actually not bad. So see if we can reclaim 220 there, beard, right? Reclaim 220 and hold above. So 220 is what I'd be paying attention to. I think this line is meant to be at 220. Like puts for SPY or puts for BBIG, Roger. Red box is just selling off here. My red box not doing it. U1 here is holding below $8 here. So see if we can push again and send it, right? So it's trying to. Looks a little bit better there now. I divorced BBIG, Aaron. I know. Zash post. Oh, they posted it on Twitter today. Oh, okay. Very cool. Okay. So they're riding that wave higher. Okay, well, see if we can get above 220 here. If not, well, no, BBIG has always been a nice little gamble around $2 and 220, right? But if it breaks below $2, be careful. Flems, we'll look at Urban One. Yeah, we've looked at it. It's right here on the left hand side. Flems at 798. Right? What a crash! What a crash! What a crash! What a sell off! Wow. Redbox is just selling off, guys. It's 666. That's what it's at now. 666. What do you think we'll do now? Not sure. Right. It might still. This might be a really nice opportunity after selling off like it has. But just be careful because the news is not exactly. Right. If you still like it for Juneteenth, like if you're buying for Juneteenth and then okay, cool. Like start a position, scale in slowly, right? So if not, be very careful. Yeah, that's what the red box is stuck at. 666. Willie. 666. Is Scott delayed or something? Oh, Scott lost somewhere. Scott? What's going on? Did you get kidnapped on your way to sending the email? I don't really get why people make points out of practical anything that exists in the world. Weird times we live in. Oh yeah, and they probably make dinky. They make a lot of money off that though, right? So that's why, lots of monies. Wow, BBIG. Wow. Wow, BBIG. Oh. All the people foaming back into BBIG. And that thing is crashing again there now. So U1. Don't really not sure what to do with that yet. Exploding car salesman. BBIG again virus. Yep. No, I just wanted to pull it up to see what the news was and see what it was doing there because it looks okay. But be careful. Be careful, guys. Anyways, we're gonna leave it here for now, guys. To hang out in Discord. So if you're not a member yet, smash a like, hit that subscribe, and then come join us in Discord. So click the join button on the channel there, and then once you do even if the stream is over, send an email to the email at the top of your screen here, and I'll send you an invite to join us in Discord. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there, please, and thank you. As BBIG breaks above there. Wow. BBIG says, "Come on, let's go, guys." Wow. I only listen to white men for Roger Rabbit says I only listen to white men for investment advice. Well, this is not investment advice, please. Go find some white men to tell you what to do. Then, please and thank you. This is not financial advice. This is we're just having fun and trying to make some monies. Right, guys? Right, all right. Star, let's go. See you in Discord. Virus, two fingers. Uh, Robert, where have you been, Robert? Are you busy working? Busy working? No financial advice, just chilling, right? So Star says bye, Roger. Robert, bye. Just chilling, bye. Willie, have a wonderful day. Bye. BBIG, yeah. It needs to explode. Beard, see you later. See you in Discord. Uh, let's go. Come on now. All the trolls, Star. All the trolls. That's okay. That's okay. We just catch you in Discord. You remember now? Yeah, MSense. So see you in Discord, MSense. And yeah, if you have any questions, just DM me MSense. Take a look at all those channels there, right? So people mostly hang out MSense in the Stock General channel. So like there's a list there. Just look at the list and then click on that list, right? So DM. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your day, DM. Vic, Robert. Always just on call and stuff. Okay, sounds good. Carlos, let's go, Carlos. See you in Discord. Any comments on BTC? BTC needs to clear $32,000. $32,000. Mr. Thrust, Rabbits opens out. And suck it. Suck it. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. Bye all. Bye Hugh. Bye Pablo. Bye Diamond. Diamond, take your time. Oi. Behind the screen? Yeah, they do. That's okay. Doug, have a wonderful afternoon. Let's go. You. Alrighty, guys. See you guys in Discord. Bye, guys. Bye, all.